About 50 car come out there from man and the man flying at them killer. The man flying at them and run up and them and just shoot them out one. Everybody problem will get fixed. Until the Lord Almighty comes for the world. That is how serious I am.
Until the
This
Lord
operation is going to continue. Until the Lord Almighty comes for the world. That is.
And take out the engine and sell it for scrap iron, scrap metal, and mash up the bulldozer. And the man then WhatsApp me a pitch and tell me say, I saw it, I go look. So me tell them say, don't bother take out the car, make the car stay. So right now they go back down a town, go and get one of the 18-wheeler flatbed truck them. We can take up this and fix it up. 113,000 and tell.
In the case of 15-year-old Sheldon McCullough, he stopped attending the Petersfield High School for over 6 months after, among other things, being warned about breaching the school's dress code and ended up dead during a police operation.
The man no bad man. I just follow back a man, make him dead.
Engine block. We then take off a so engine block. We miss long for one then but I'm on board party. I that in wash pan. See? I board one meter about one of the heavy water soak board there, bro. I just get up and fight and sail it. Brother. Jawbone like a dislocate.
I had a mother that would throw a shoe at you at the drop of a dime and fuck you up wherever she was aiming.
No, miss.
She would like carry that shit like a gun. By the time I was like 10, my mother was like Clint Eastwood with a shoe. And you fuck up, my mother walk in the room with like.
Why'd you eat the ice cream off the floor?
I didn't know I was gonna.
How are you doing? Hey, boy. Well, man, now stop.
Oh, yeah. Just a memory. Yo, the kitchen, no!
Simmer.
Who got the keys to the bimmer?
Who am I?
I don't remember that one.
Simmer.
Who's got the keys to my bimmer?
Who am I?
I don't know, rest me.
Gal dem sugar. Simmer.
Who's got the keys to your
Bimmer? Who am I? Simmer.
taking my car to my beamer?
Semi got it.
Taking my car to my Wednesday.
Taking my car to my beamer.
Have a nice day, fellas. Simmer. He's a serious chava. He's definitely from Essex. Huh? Real bad man, no model in the shorts. Straight jeans, got our foot fan. Everybody have to ask when me get my clocks. Real bad man, no model in the shorts.
Straight pew, when I'm in the
That's how we
top.
feel like
Any
it.
money in
I
the
said
ass,
we
so
get
me
the
get me clocks. Any money in the ass, so me get me clocks. You know me talk? You say it fast. Street rush, get out the dust fast. Pull up. Pull up. Real bad man.
Hold up, wait, come here. Oh, here we go.
Summertime of woo, summertime in the boom boom. Summertime in the Kingston. Summertime in the country. Summertime in the
My.
Is it
popcorn.
Real bad man, no model in the shorts. Vibes cartel clocks. Real bad man, no model in the shorts. Everybody have yours. Let me get me clocks. The leather hard. The sweat soft. Toothbrush get out the dust fast. Real bad man, no model in the shorts.
Straight jeans, put up, cook pan. Even know what I'm saying when we get my clocks.
Everybody have yours. Jamaica, 100k likes. Real bad man, no model in the shorts.
Clogs.
That's the way forward. The Clarks. Vibes Cartel Clarks. That's absolute banger.
Tell me more about this.
He is the teacher and everyone else in Jamaica is the student. He's just won a MOBO, freshly out of Jamaica for being a cannibal.
You know, of all the crimes in the world, that's not that bad.
It's not that.
It's not that bad. It's not that
I
bad.
hear it. What's
Bro,
worse?
Bro, I can't say that. Like. Yo.
People know cartel.
Exactly.
But you are going on. You see, like how they can tell us that they don't know no more of the beanie there.
Yeah.
You see how weirdo they can really basically they not tell us they don't know more of the cartel there, but you can hear how they try to sing out the rest of it. You don't know what the freak but they really don't know what goes here, but you know, clocks.
Yeah,
You
man.
see what I say?
They know they hear song already.
And cartel.
More than all one time too.
And Beanie and King way before cartel generation. So I just try showing the people say don't sleep pan the previous king. You see me I say?
Yeah, so yeah, me I say, saying why me play them the two, you know, what me I say is more no, cause you know much of them video them watch when me see it. And me I say, you think my business if them people if you to try make them sing cartel or beanie. Me just want see people them to see who know it. All some people from Asia know the song them, you know, bro. And like me I say, oh, you're supposed to feel when you know your culture. It's not about who they know.
And then like a piece of tail pick there if you say Zima, then could have even know about it.
You see me? Yeah, man, enough people out there appreciate the culture more than how we appreciate it.
So
you see Beanie Man.
In a rush.
You see Beanie Man we are going to perform now. Yeah, man, nobody, if you play them for sure,
support Beanie.
Support.
Good school we go.
Let me give you a hand.
Round of applause, people. Welcome back. Big up for yourself.
I tell you, round of applause. I tell you.
We see work out all day now. I see count all the work. We are the work. Introduce yourself, my dog.
Earthquake, you know. You know.
And
the whole place shake.
Do it over there.
You know, you go. Move your mom. That's what I'm about. Alright, watching up, people. Respect for joining for another video. And you know where it go. Respect to subscribe them. If people who subscribe for a long time, if people who subscribe for this video now, 100% blessings, man. You see it. And watch you now. Say you want to subscribe and a plan for subscribe. And more blessings to your said way, man. You know what it go. See? Just go and watch the whole live video. You have to subscribe. Nothing wrong with that. See?
Me alone.
Alright, blessings.
Yeah, man, a versatility. I know I wonder how the ugly boy they look so not so ugly. Yeah, man, we get one next camera, so you don't know what to do with the whole camera. Boom.
All of them come talk about ugly people. You see, you get to see me really over there, so now, you see?
I'm some man.
You know, see?
People don't know you come down. Critical Thinking 876 is a podcast, never a podcast. You don't know. Thank you for all the work on to put in. You see it? Yeah, man.
Seeing?
That's a man. That's when we do over here,
so.
Yeah, me some people.
We just there.
Yeah.
I go on with our vibes and until we say, you know.
We miss you. See me?
Yeah.
No Diddy. We miss you. We loyal patriots. You see me? I say, yeah, cause all the person go on from April really start. You see me? Plus, you know, I did the weekend, the big weekend.
Tell you know.
You see it?
Blessed month. See
yeah,
it?
Man.
So you more on to do. All I want to more on go subscribe. Go tell me in a comment section how much I want to get millions for this month. I want to this month alone the millions them run really. February and the month they no matter you know. It does all I work up to April.
You know. So you feel disrespect February people. Aquarius, I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, I say man. But you don't know. I bun and cheese weekend. You see what I say? Crucifixion and then same thing. The resurrection and then same thing there. So you go, yeah man. School out. You see what I say? I don't really know then what the sitting there forward from. You know the theory where they tell about the Gregorian calendar and Saint Augustus and you know Julius Caesar had 2 more months and rate. But you know how that go. Yeah, so then say April 1st should be January 1st, should be the new year. So anybody we don't know, them a fool. That's why I name all fools there. But besides that, it all Earthstrong pass, you see me I say, I'm showing a piece of activities same way. And besides that, 420, every ganja man know biggest weed national holiday. You see me I say, we have to do it the right way.
Yes, and I'm smoking up the ganja.
So people don't feel no way we did legal to do it. And in honor of those 2 events, we had, you know, from our sponsors, naturally, presidential.
Hey, you know I got president.
You see me I say,
blessings,
yeah man,
you know,
a little
man,
browns, a
chip
little
chop,
grains, you know I go. Yeah man, everything active. Active. So we're smoking purely organic, you know I go. Yeah man, so pick up on yourself again, people.
Yeah, man, you know chip chop get the best grade, so watch out now.
Yeah man.
And if I but man.
When you link up on Instagram, we give you a link. You don't know them the piece of badness that comes down.
But you what go on now saying, which is a whole heap of things are going on in I mean, but you well one chat boy. We well one chat boy. Saying Chinese them a bill one. Not a bill, them bill one car service, which is mechanic we call it in a Jamaica. In a Jamaica. Saying and you what go on. We don't know about nobody else, you know. But we have experience with them mechanic in a Jamaica.
Oh yeah, yeah man.
Cause we buy one whole car one night time, you know. We really deal with the farm things in.
Yeah.
And I said that whole car there with the
country. I want that gas away about 3.
No, new car them man they buy man.
Yeah, but they still mash up but fix about 3.
You see the whole car we buy? Let me show you how to go on it. Come here tell you about we fix it from scratch.
Yeah man.
Yeah, one thing left with the engine and we say we are save it for last car.
You know?
No really say save it for last, you know. But the engine did good. So we have to say the engine just want to work over. And the mechanic can go deal with it. And let me tell you what mechanic do. Him did work over it. But the man, I mean, if you go cuss nobody, but right at the point when I want to cuss one bad word, to show you my bags. Seeing the man work over the engine, you know, if he pull off the parts of my hour, but the man put back this head all dirty all the night. And take the money.
You know, but I say go take the one
and
left.
So you hear me? It's a heavy mechanic, we are Jamaican mechanic right now. They're going to get a beating from me, you know. Because I'm going to tell you and say, yo, load the Chinese them. Me not to support the Chinese that run things in our country, you know.
Yeah.
But you hear me I say, uno nah deal with the good as mechanic. So uno if you load the Chinese them and go inside, brother.
I could take a look, people. Yeah. Me see one piece of video look well for you.
Yeah, I'm going to show, we're going to see a Chinese them car service, you know.
And this is the line for go over the Chinese mechanic we happen at Jamaica over there. People are lining up like a free service I give you over there.
What you mean?
Me never see them line you know if you know Jamaican mechanic, you know, brother. So me don't know how I go on, no, brother. Cause me not really drive, me not really have vehicle at Jamaica, so me not really know. But the line that remind me, I will never give a free gas. Yeah, man, long old line, man. People go service them vehicle like China, man, mechanic, man.
I look for one station of man, about AD wagon that.
Yes, people, you know, say
well, alright, so watch it out. And as me I say, anybody have them vehicle. As I can see it all type of vehicle I see in the line I go down the side, you know. See it? So to me, give a Chinese them a try, man. Anyway you ever get fucked over by one Jamaican. And you ever get fucked over by one Jamaican mechanic, give Chinese them a try.
I wanna see how them man they doing not too fast, 2 euros, Tokyo drift. No ramp with them.
Yeah, and we have another clip too, you know.
Yeah, run it.
Until the Lord Almighty comes.
Oh, I see the police.
That is how serious I am.
Until the
this
Lord
operation is going to continue.
Continue.
Until the Lord Almighty comes for the world. That is
yeah, brother. That is how serious we are. So you see, so man, alright. People, Jamaican people know this on a lie. They bring a vehicle go a mechanic, and the one mechanic there in the place I fix 10 vehicles at once. And him not give back a vehicle till in a 2 months time. And so within that 2 months time, they say, hey, you're busy on the road like have a next vehicle I drive. You're gonna see the motherfucker in your vehicle driving. I tell you. You're gonna see him out there in the traffic out there. Your vehicle, I tell you say, you know I don't fix it. Because the alternator want battery and water. If you can charge up the circuitry When get from space.
Oh, come here, what tell you now, so I have to make your fan blade rotate.
Fan blade rotate. Brother,
Yeah.
mechanic can
Tell a boy.
take over.
Right now,
You know
but
see?
that you see, you mess up a bit, because if you try to them tell you say one this way, you can pay, you know.
Yeah.
We believe in them.
And we're gonna believe. I hear why thing now. The Chinese them after that them go fix it you know. With your vehicle go and drive. Yeah, and in that only go and drive from what this go stop, you know. You go and drive.
Yeah, man. So, me see them in a system.
Because they wanna as a what would I call it now? A second not secondary country, what they call third world country. As a third world country, you know, we beat other third world countries. Countries like China. When would I say Jamaicans would buy certain things from China. From China, we built from China, right? But certain things like clothes, like all our shoes, would I say, we don't want that, brother. That the clocks are not good. A China them make it. You see me?
Yeah, no, from the made in
But
China.
I will make it super glue on them thing.
China.
So you don't know if the clocks, I don't know if the clocks bust out one side, we go buy one super glue.
Yeah.
Put on it. And it will hold it for you long.
If I done it on the done days.
Yeah.
But
no, but the super glue can hold it for you long till I one next side bust out.
Yeah. If you're on the done days.
It's Chinese them if you say.
Super glues if you're not on the done days.
We forgive Chinese them their ratings.
Yeah, then just want to move too quick in a real. But what you going on? As you talk about it, so they're not sure you're not. They're not sure we not have no video with them inside a place, a show or a performance go. Cause when they tell me say some Gran Turismo racing shit where him and them pull up your car and set so 5 minutes flinging
no,
in
more.
well
I know. We have had that.
Fit up back gas so
no,
people be say that if they tell me that swear never go show a piece of video. You show me say yo
no, what me I say what I say is I have another clip.
Yeah.
But when me I try to show you say when me there say it the way there, I never saw me there say it. Me there say it for say. A mechanic thing with them have it look official like I would have seen foreign and like our mechanic I would have see. We drive go and watch on where I say where mechanic there and we see him sitting on one side on an engine block. We roll as a beard dirty old grease from last year. And him tell you say boy we can make you get it back by next month still you know. See? And him did them and show you say well me have them two thing they work on so by next month your thing we did man a different thing so.
I get it I say.
So I'm going to see you next clip.
Yeah. Back on the big game.
I find a place today and it's like a bittersweet, may I tell you, man. It's like, I just try for just all it. Sweet because a lot of persons have been shafted by mechanics. And I would emphasize on females because I find that once mechanics realize that you don't know much, they just tell you anything. I'm not gonna say that for all of them because this is my first bad experience, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna say for all of them, but you hear the stories all the time. Bitter because I really like to use these people, but I can't find my car. So a quick background. So the car popped down with me about 3 months ago, right? And I get put on to this man.
Them a drink water.
The man said to me, say, oh, my transmission, right? Transmission gone, fine. Him say, I need hundreds of thousands of dollars. I said, sir, I would not spend that on purchasing a transmission because that amount is exceeding the total value of the car. Him say, alright, give me a fraction. Mark, you know, enough look of deliberation and enough look of conversation in between, but may I try and make it brief, right? So, Mr. Alright, sounds good. Send me your information and I'll transfer that to you. Because them said 2 days time. Remember, you know, the idea is to get back the car so that me can be up and running and do what me need to do. Look here, Speedy Gonzalez. In a no time, the banking information reached my phone. Alright, me never do it same time now. Like, you know, you do something, you say, alright, you soon do it. Look at every minute the man call me. And you know, him call and you say, alright, no man, I soon send it. And you still do what you do, but you know you soon send it, you know, but you kind of do something first. Look here now, the phone not stop ring. So till it started feeling uncomfortable, and I said to my friend, I said, this not feel right. I say to my brother, I said, no man, I'm just a call me so. Anyway, remember say me want the car, you know. To my brother, I said, no man, him just want to up and get the car and free up in place. I said, alright, it makes sense. Transfer the money and 2 day time. I call him a nutty.
Brother, I don't care too.
So I call him until I start easy and say, you know what? Remember just want to chill because this man clearly not got answer him phone. On day 4, after I started calling him for the car, he sent me a voice note, a WhatsApp message. How impersonal. Send me a WhatsApp message saying he thought the problem was X, but it's not X and it's Y. So him saying want some more money. So I say, how are you sure that this is the problem, and when you do this, you are not going to find something else being wrong with the car? And him said, no man, this man, this man. I said, alright, remember, you know, desperation.
Which one?
I want the car. At this point,
yeah, people, the boys are in front of the video, so I can see what go on.
That video, I will leave a video them, brother. This is one of them. Hey.
Don't scroll. You see that place about me? Some thief in mechanical Jamaica in a problem. The Jamaican mechanic there in a problem now because guess what? The facility be a Chinese mechanic. Just look at it. State of the art facility just opened. Don't a machine and don't come in. And look at them. Any iron vehicle wanna have problem but we wanna can't find. Just look at it. It's just come out this morning and the man in an engine already. Oil, service parts, and have to kill. No machinery, and a lot of them soon come. Any vehicle, as long as they have on 4 or 6 wheel or 10 wheel, you're ready for them. Low end to high end. See there? Everything then sort out. Service parts and rare. Yeah man, they're ready for everything. Any vehicle you have, any problem where you can't find. Then do electrical work, mechanical, and while you wait, you're waiting a comfort and style. AC.
And Chinese them alone, but Jamaicans be different, you know. They didn't even have to pay for that promotion. They don't. I tell you where you name. I went channel name Motivational Vibes TV. And watch this now. You don't have to pay him, and you still don't have to pay away.
Yeah.
We just are going it free. You know why we are going it free? As me I tell you about it, Jamaica. Yo, it make it the motor be to bother ready to bro. So would I like for one of them see this and then comment and say yo still and all I will still, you know. And then we can say alright, here we go on now. We check out that mechanic and see.
We still not check him out.
And boy, no man, yeah, watch out now. You know what I hear why me I say that now. Me no want the Jamaican mechanic them we are do good.
Yeah.
See this. I feel like say we are beat on to you know. Brother, me just never see one yet. I wanna never work on
yeah, I wanna better drop the price them.
So you are going. Seeing?
I wanna fuck up people.
If you don't feel say you not gonna do with car, so I re. Eh? Comment in the comment section, man, and make you can say alright, check out for the business.
And mechanic check out the business. I told one.
Cause you why? Yeah, so me feel like mechanic go there where I invest in them business and I get all them equipment
yeah, yeah, mechanics are that, but then too thief. That me I say.
Oh, so, you know that you ever use them?
Yes. Yes.
All of them?
No.
So that's why I say that, bro.
Then thief nonetheless.
And what do you tell about one plan where you did have?
Yeah.
Which would that be? A drive-through mechanic, no?
Drive-through.
You tell me say you'd be one of them thief mechanic there?
Never.
So why the area go beat the next youth out there we would have a set plan
this
like
is Jamaica,
have, bro?
Let's be real.
Nah, man. So me not go beat you if I saw no stay. You know. But me I say we don't know. No. So I can understand that. See? The Chinese them look like them are going to deal with that thing though. And we have a next clip, you know. I can run that one later.
Run him a pussy. No.
Chinese mechanic them out.
But I'm like, no, we don't have money neither, man. I tell you, say, yo, about 50 car come out there from man, and the man flying at them killer. The man flying at them and run up and them and just shoot them out one. Everybody problem I get fixed. I know me just sell 12 bombard. We just sell 4 spark plug. Yeah, man, mom's over there saying my smile. Mom get through, you know, man. Mom finding problem, my smile.
Yeah, man, the Chinese mechanic them hot. I tell you.
No Chinese mechanic now come for me car with no wrecker. And I lie me I tell. and this and that. Me have something for sure. Look, I don't take things for joke. So yesterday when the man then forward with the record and come to take out the car, one man said to me, say, boy, want to the bulldozer where your grandfather they give you. Where you carry go mechanic and then say you no good again. And then start selling for scrap iron. You get me I say? So me say no, make me go there with the Chinese them and ask them how much you fix it up. See it, yeah? They say give them 113,000. 113,000 and it crisp back again, all the AC start hurt back.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. 113,000 then say. You give them and it drive back again.
And it
so
drive back again.
Me dey up if you just tell them say don't bother move the car. Come take up this and come fix it. 113,000. See there? A scrap iron the mechanic they used to sell it for, you know. Scrap iron, take all the chain off of it, go sell for scrap iron, take out the engine and everything. My grandfather give me this and tell me say you go make life. And I look at thing do it and me carry go mechanic. And the mechanic then tell me say no good again, then take out the engine, then sell it for scrap iron, scrap metal, and mash up the bulldozer. And the man then WhatsApp me a pitch and tell me say I saw it I go look. So me tell them say don't bother take out the car, make the car stay. So right now they gone back down a town, go and get one of the 18-wheeler flatbed, chuck them. You come take up this and fix it up. 113,000 then tell me say give them 113,000 and it crisp back again. Spray up brand new. Tell me say me can when they done with it, me can go sign up with China Harbour and can go do some road work.
Listen to what I'm saying. I want them to realize I look for the video I said, remember. You boy, come me watch it already, you know, I'll be a seat, I'll be a they laughing all about me. I say, yo, John, my brother. So we have to me say, I'll bet they know way. The chain the way say man and take off the scrap metal chain. You have to me say that chain the don't cost 130,000. That chain the way China never go put back on it. Cause man them sell the one there already, right? That means China never go put back one they don't. He drive back good.
Yeah.
In a cost 130.
Yeah, they have talk and I laugh, brother.
Hey, they try.
A program in Scott, Bridging. And I pray so me go get the papers and go up.
Yo, listen me now. People, you know why I be play? Cause listen me now. Me know say, we not that gullible, you know. Me know that, you know, we not that gullible. If you own a vehicle by now, you must see this house every day. I know say this every day. I fool about together.
113,000.
113,000.
Pitch patch one picture and show me.
Hey, but hold on.
You have to show me a video when
you know say why I eat that. And we can't to beat the man neither.
What mean?
The man never said JMD, brother. Man never said JMD.
Makes sense. No make no sense.
Hey you know say you're wise. All people in him Romario Coleman on Facebook. I don't know if I say your name everywhere. But a Romario Coleman on Facebook where the same video come from. Give him a follow and give him a subscribe. So
yeah, man.
You find him nowhere else, you know?
Yeah, man. So what you know now?
Next video. Oh, if you say me now play next one, but yeah, one next one. So if you go on him page, you will see next one. The next one, he might show you, oh, that's it, that. This, you know, but show you that, when I will be 30 them, or police shape. Daddy, you know, when you pick them, you used to ramp on some old car. And that one they reach to a level now where your mother started set up a ramp on the old car, you cut you up.
Right, you want them using in a schoolyard.
This is completely gone, man. You know, and nothing. Brother, he lean down in it a sink in the dirt. And the man say, China them give him call him back. And he say, yo, he show them a picture and something and they give one better deal. And it still not cost past 200, you know? Better packaging, say.
Yeah.
It still not past 200, you know?
Yeah.
And they might get that fixed back to good new brand. Yeah?
Yeah, me know. Zin. Man, you know, when I go as a praise, you know, when I see no video last week or, you know, now one night and I go see one video this week. Truth is, about 6 videos we make, but a celebration week, boy, every one video they've got did so error, you know. So we just there still for the last attempt, yeah. Yeah. And if this year one you no more fable go on, we just gonna mash up everything and show up. You don't know. The warrior Earthstrong pass, you know. Bless up Smokey same way. When he Earthstrong, you don't know. Couple warrior pass through. One vibes there, you know. couple buckle of something. You don't know. Presidential forward through the week cake, you know that go. You see me?
Yeah, man. Blessings in a cheap chop.
Yeah, man.
One cheap chop.
Shock is, we get some original fruit juice. Yeah. So we are go bust them. Yeah. This a mango carrot and tell her what it is. She said she so label them up, but you can see it sealed. You know, this a greedy boy I bust for him long time, but you know, yeah, he know drink none, you know. I stop him before he drink none, but he did plan to bust for him seal, but seal buckles. And she get her label up, I go show on it. As the me, but shock is, I'll make you know what time it is. Real time testing. You see me, I say, yeah, people. I'm not telling a lie. It tastes good, it tastes good.
So tell me if it tastes good, huh? Although you're not supposed to drink, so still got me put ice in it and make it kind of distort the taste.
Cup this. See, which should show yourself. You know what, it's refreshing, that I can tell you. But you hear me say now? That's so like what people say when it's the taste good. No, it's refreshing, man. Zane, it's probably too refreshing for me. Me like sour things, you know. This sweet. And then not so sweet, if you get what I say.
I say again, mango carrot.
I mean, I wonder if I ice, but I'm gonna say refreshing. You know, me like it just have this sourish thing to it. So maybe me have to go take a June plum. Maybe I have to go take a June plum. Cause that me there ask you, what kind of mango they use? Mango.
Yeah, why bad to for real? Yeah, it just come in like you know sweeten. You know say you can say some farm of sweetening did you know, but you can't barely taste it.
I can't tell you what they use sweetness. Maybe
something did them, man. Maybe you know me feel say they use
what?
Either cane sugar or I don't feel like you can use cane juice and cane and not so much.
What you say, cane juice?
No, cane sugar.
Cane sugar? Them better every sugar and cane sugar, bad man. Every sugar and cane sugar.
I don't think so. What can get sugar from other things, man?
Oh, man. People just say about nonsense. Must have got bingo. And a cane there.
No, a cane juice, me thought.
Me feel like maybe honey. But me don't know that. Which mango they use, man? Mango juice.
Any mango, brother.
Any mango?
What you mean? I don't think mango go give you taste. What I mean say I go mix up all like different mango. Them. For example, if you use common mango you're going to use, you can use.
So
you want to know which mango they use, make this one?
Yeah, make it have this. That dog, alright.
And then mango you really taste, you know?
How?
I carrot infused with the mango. Yeah, taste.
Yeah, I eat that. Yeah,
I tell you.
Could be.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
Carrot full of water. Seeds directly, I make all the water, the mango itself. It's sweet.
The carrot tastes heavier to me night.
Shaki, big up yourself. Hurry up and work on your label. Because my dog said, I should even guess look while for the mango carrot. That's true, man. But
yeah, that's my input.
You know? Yeah.
That's my whole input. It tastes good.
For me,
would up on my work site and buy this R.
Yeah, no doubt.
We have go like on a job in the morning and grab one of this said way.
Yeah.
Because I know say you watch now.
It's a pack a punch.
Yeah.
Like there's a big game there.
A natural thing. So I don't like me go drink one soda. We are going to belly at me after. If I drink this, more can hold out for 1, 2, 3 hours in the morning, you know?
I'm there worry about the belly at still. Me telling the people, me update you. Me update you, because you don't do a mango. But she have different flavors.
No, why we can't say that, you know, because as me saying, you can taste the natural miss both, you know, all the additives in there. You can't taste no ginger.
This is Jamaica, I don't think
even if you ginger in there,
I
must say, even if you in there, you cannot taste
it. But me know that needed.
Yeah, you know, overpour nothing. So I'm mostly like, I just want.
So, yeah, man. Yeah.
Alright, people, you see, if you want to imagine the taste, you can imagine the taste, man. If you ever have sauce upon anything that deal with the yard, and you know, bother plan to mix it with milk and you just put sugar in it, basically so it tastes. It just have the refreshing taste there.
Yeah. More natural taste.
You know, make you thirsty after. And you know, make you know, it just. Nah,
you know,
man.
milk kind of make you wow, water then.
Yeah,
you see
see
at the time they you know, so sap juice. When I saw sap actual juice, it's a difference. You see me? But yeah, man, Chucky, get your label up and we show you what go on again with some different flavor.
Yeah,
See me? My advice though is for
we
me.
suppose you can point on you and show you say, woman locate you so and watch you can call a number ya if you want to make one order for sell it in your shop and them thing they don't. Yeah, so you know
my advice
label
is this.
makes sense.
Get some East Indian mango. Or if you can get East Indian mango, then there.
I want ideas mango that is the money I come talk about. You know?
But Jamaica with you talk about there. Go a country. Pick
Bro,
some mango ya Shaki.
Look here now.
Pay some youth to pick
Yes,
some mango.
listen what I said to you. Yes, one
let me finish giving my advice.
No, but me I tell you, so once you mix it with something like carrot,
it have cut it.
It have cut it, so you're not gonna really get the East Indian.
But East Indian, yeah, the potency of East Indian.
You still just get your mango.
No, the potency of East Indian mango different. Above you see, you get them one Julie or one look at that. You know, fine skin or run there, sitting there mango there.
I wish mango feels like this one. Cause me go tell you about from when me I walk. I wish mango I dear son.
Oh, East Indian, everybody love me. So me just
everybody love you, yes, no doubt. But look on a cemetery. Which part you know say I pay East Indian tree every yard looking at. It's why East Indian tree.
Yeah.
Common mango is most common, that's I name so.
Yeah.
But the next to that are East Indian, cause everybody love that.
Yeah.
Don't it?
Yeah.
Which one is dearest one? Millie mango, bro. I least common one that me ask me, I tell you, I least common one. And I best tasting one.
Yeah, man.
Dog, you did deal with it. Alright. Yeah, man, bless up. No, man.
Forget the
I told what you told me take. Eh?
Me glad enough to know said me. I want drunker where we forget. I mean, I wonder if I eyes. But I'm gonna say refreshing. You know, me like you just have this sourish thing to it. So maybe me have to go take a June plum. Maybe I have to go take a June plum. Cause that me there ask you, what kind of mango they use? Mango.
Yeah, why bad to for real? Yeah, it just coming like sweeten. You know say you can't say some farmer sweetening the day, you know. But you can't barely taste it.
I can't tell you what they use sweetness.
Something there, man. Maybe you know me feel say they use
what?
Either cane sugar or I don't feel like you can use cane juice and cane and not so much.
But yeah, my advice is this then. You see, if I even common mango she use, or any mango she use a turn one then. Turn mango them not have more stay sourness taste to it.
And that's you supposed to use.
That me
turn mango supposed to use.
Like you picture him when he tropical rhythm mango carrot. Of course, that a match.
That taste you want?
No, me not go for the taste. Obviously not. You see me I say.
Come taste that can't taste like this, you know? This is natural.
No.
That a powder business.
And you talk about even now. We are talking about now. We are talking about tropical rhythm back then. You see, same way. But what I say is it they have the local tanginess to it. So just the tanginess to it when she say mango carrot.
Yeah.
Me go, oh yeah, mango carrot. We try a mango carrot.
Yeah, but the kind of man and I tanginess alone to that man. That's smoother. Brother, you tell me say you don't want taste the thing. This is not go smooth like that. That a powder we can mix out to a smooth.
I understand what you say with that. Yes. I am still saying
rugged and rough.
I am still saying something must can be done
to it.
Forget a tanginess in it, which is not
Mama, listen. Hold on, I got
not a third.
Like mango,
like fruit.
Yeah.
Like me don't want you put lime juice in there. That shit gonna spoil.
That me just realize.
You see me?
Eat mango, so me can't go talk about it.
Me? What? Dog, me tell you something, but East Indian I'm favorite. I mean not like sweet mango, that's my thing. Zin, so this a juice. If the carrot never cut the sweetness, if you make it just right, it wouldn't be alright for me because I look for sour. Is what I say? My flavors are pineapple and them look, you know them sour sitting there. Yeah, but Jackie, get your title up and come in, mama. You see me? I'm gonna test the June plum next.
Alright, what you know, saying?
Got to say not drink June plum, but we drink cherry juice. You see?
Alright, what you know, saying? Yeah, man. As you know where it go. You know what I say? Respect all the time as me I say, if you join in the video them, you know, where they are chat, be a foolish as mommy with that claim say. Yeah, but you know where it go.
I never watch
You
you
know
work,
all.
you know. Yeah, the age group there. We see who do I
Yeah,
watch
man,
you
they
work. We
always
love the
say,
youths them.
they
You see, and
always
that's
say,
why
in
we
a
respect
foolish,
you, them.
a foolish you can learn from it, you know, no
Yeah.
information did it. You see it. So it might be foolish for you, but somebody else. I hear the information and say, oh, I saw that did go. Yeah, man, I real people, you
I'm
know?
saying, say a wise man can learn, a wise man can learn more from a foolish question than a fool can learn from a wise question. So, is what I say, if you don't feel like you're not that wise, you can listen to a foolish question. So we have, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, and as you see in the media, we go on the whole heap of things them we go on in the Jamaican media. We don't care enough of them things there, you know, but we choose not to care it, you know. Like we go on now, same way always go on long time with the foot hype and cartel.
We can't talk about them.
Back and forth and all them Lisa hype and them. You know them thing there?
Dexter them. All of them look over there, so come over here, so. But you know, say when I check TikTok revenue, because I TikTok
so it's like more why we just
TikTok
choose
them
not
have to talk about them there something there, so just allow them to talk about there something there. So me I say, yeah, cause you know, Jamaica little, the world big, all that we can share. You see me I say, yeah. So just keep everything positive, informative, and you know, entertaining as usual. And opinionative. You don't know cause critical thinking. You see it? Like they attack. Me always tell myself say yo matey at them, but they bad youth. You see me I say so to tell me the truth. What I feel like they attack man for where they attack. I'm not supposed to see them, I know them. Look a curly, frilly thing them. Like a crochet do it. Yeah. With the edge them look like a this yeah. Yeah. Yeah, cause me have a conflicting interest in it, you see me? I say you look calm to me. But you don't know me, I say I get them at. You see me, cause I get them see in it.
Alright, so one thing on TVJ News where it title say dwindling school population concerns about frequent suspension.
Frequent suspension from a school?
Dwindling school population, you know. See? So the concern is about frequent suspension and then thing there. Me get the premise away somebody will title it and go with it. I am you know man. No. You can't go and fight suspension and make it look like you know, hey, me did a bad pit to you know, me understand you know. See? And I can count the amount of suspension I get from school going to school, you know that. Yeah, me no read me bad yes, but we not bad for get suspension. I'm gonna tell you why. The reason why. We can't go and go tell the parents so we get suspension.
2-3 days off
You see that 3 days the way you go school for you under pressure.
Man,
I tell you
that.
And you get suspension and no sick you sick. Not school.
Man.
School no burn down. And you go there you 3 days.
Wow.
You must say mad. Take a year one badness. So listen me, you them nowadays. Me no want them go there with the title light. Me no see story yet fully, you know. We go play you now still, you know. But me no want them go that way there with it. Because me know you them bad. I mean I'm gonna make you look like say every picnic bad, but especially nowadays. Bro, for generation bad so.
For generation.
Much as now, and everybody can attest to this. Say, if further generation will go, like people, that's like all days people will say in a few them days. Thing ain't and so. It'll get worse, man. It'll get worse. Yeah.
And the parents them are blaming on this generation. But
so anything what we used to do at school, just imagine say you them nowadays, I do it tenfold. Is it? That one never them. But them use a trick people right now.
So you know, as I said that, Zane, no look not too long, I scroll through Instagram, I see, I think either quest times or beatings. One of them post on police or drape up on youth. Like my shape of time I forgot beat him with the button. You see me? 2 police, one hold on pan and one drape him up and I try to get him for going in a police vehicle.
Yeah.
And some girl did that video. I notice is the girl them now say, let him go. What am I do? None of them sitting there. That's what I say. From the clip with me here. So obviously, look boy, I probably deserve it. You see what I say, charge it. But
you can't take it from the girl them neither because
you
know about what you say is normally if they did see something wrong go on them would
the bro man a school pitney man daddy one all the most and nines smaddy. Better yet me hear say I have to sign deserve it then.
No, but at the same no you are going no at the same argument they would that chat more what they see. So that's why you want me look for it. Me know this you do something. But at the end of the day, where you going to be, did it warrant that action, that level of action? And our police they not choose the level of action. Just like how would I say, all these people are then, we would have said to my generation, say, police them could have shot him on 9 foot dog and run him around.
Yeah.
And some man way in a police force now, or have license gun, or a fire gun, or that tell us, bro, and I say, work. Yeah? Police train to shoot center mass.
Yeah.
They not train to shoot foot.
Blouse and skirt.
So if a police even shoot your foot, a mistake he make.
Headshot and even one priority.
No, headshot and not priority, center mass. So when they shoot in your foot, or your honor them, a mistake they make, they name plan to shoot it so. A center mass them a shoot for.
Unless they did intentionally plan to shoot it so.
No, but I may tell you say, if they not trained for that.
Yeah.
That means to say in the training. We not train when say shoot no man in their hand or their foot.
Yeah.
So
like
if
a mafia type shit.
Yes, I must have police moral that try tell himself say well, you know say me not have to. A police moral that tell himself say you know say that man rush me with a knife, me not have to shoot him center mass. Me can shoot him in his foot or in his hand or somewhere.
Yeah.
You get me? Yeah. But naturally a police not trained for shoot you then way, they don't train for shoot the center mass. Murder you.
Yeah. That's true. That's true. Run it. Make we see what go on so.
Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, for years, there's been a raging debate about disciplinary actions in schools and whether acts like suspension hurt or is an effective measure to rein in offending students.
Now, there's at least one school in Westmoreland where some educators believe they're losing children as a result.
Kalisha Williams has part 1 of this special report.
January 2025, the McGraw High School in St. Catherine.
They don't want we're going to school because out here.
Students being sent home for hair and uniform infractions, something which has seemingly become the norm. But what happens when some are...
Tell what people not see, but me see. Because me have my youth. This boy no braces in have pan in teeth.
Me don't know what you have there.
Because braces is me messy. When me see, he look like a braces in have pan in teeth.
Yeah,
and him not have a buff teeth.
Brother, we have a pull up a video, man. I'm going like we don't have a real time thing.
Yeah, no, but me there watch it. See there.
And in here was the problem.
Yeah, here was the problem, you know, and in the teeth, you know, but me I'll show you off an example.
Yeah.
What me I say is Alex. When Alex start bad, me ain't see it.
Yeah.
When him come tell man boy want all braces and all that type of thing there. We see. And I say to him, say, bro, you know a buff teeth.
Bad for him to tell you say eczema get bad. And he have to
I'm have to go rub down. Exactly.
So what you know?
Right? So me you know. I know for them look style and all this youth I gotta have, you know, why not treat me here when telling people them, you know. But here when I can't tell people in my school that, you know.
Stick your pint. Get the different scene. And give me a piece of ice now. I say, get it. Dog, you turn off the sound off a transition here.
Yeah, run it again.
High school because I was here.
Students being sent home for hair and uniform infractions, something which has seemingly become the norm. But what happens when some are locked out of school or sent home? In the case of 15-year-old Sheldon McCullough, he stopped attending the Petersfield High School for over 6 months after, among other things, being warned about breaching the school's dress code and ended up dead during a police operation.
The man no bad man. I just follow back a man, make him dead.
After further January 2025,
hey, Papa, I want
the
to tell
McGraw
you,
High School
well, I don't
in
know
St.
what I want to
Catherine.
tell Papa says, so no, so all I bad man and bad man.
Because
I follow them, follow back
Students
a
being
man.
sent home for hair and uniform infractions, something which has seemingly become the norm. But what happens when some are locked out of school or sent home? In the case of 15-year-old Sheldon McCullough, he stopped attending the Petersfield High School for over 6 months after, among other things, being warned about breaching the school's dress code and ended up dead during a police operation.
The man
No,
bad man.
watch out now.
I just follow back a man, make him dead.
After further investigation, TVJ News found that there are several similar cases across Westmoreland. At the Grange Hill High School, for example, 2 key stakeholders are speaking out. We have used voice actors to protect their true identities. We will call them persons A and B.
If you look at the statistics in Westmoreland, Grange Hill area, surrounding communities, hardly at any time you hear of a murder case, it doesn't involve one of our students, whether present or past. Accidents, bike accidents, we have one recently, he got killed in Green Island, Hanover. He's supposed to be a student of grade 11.
I would like to reflect on the death of the student who was shot last year within this same time. And I remember when they posted the 7 wanted persons, I can tell you that I know that 6 of those persons on the list are past students from here. And it goes to show that there's an issue here and it needs to be corrected.
And while the Grange Hill community itself is a haven for criminal elements which may have filtered into the school, both person A and person B believe the school system is failing the students. They believe the rate at which some students are being suspended has led to many not returning to school, and they oftentimes turn to a life of crime and violence.
There's a grave leadership issue here. I know for a fact that nothing is in place when students, when they commit any misdemeanor or anything. The only reprimand is suspension. You don't do homework, suspension. Pants, uniforms being short, the bleaching, they come with any little extension to the hair. Sometimes it's hardly even visible. I know of a case this very afternoon where the boy may be out of class while he should be in class, and he was given 3 days.
You send them out on the street, you don't know what is wrong, so you tell them go for the parents. We tell no many students, if them wrong, them not want to tell the parents. Them go home, the parents don't come, them come back at school, you send them home.
Yeah,
go juice.
Yeah, man, you can't force me to drink it. I'm to the eat, man.
What you mean?
Me say, look at the man. Me go drink it, man, but not right now. You can't ever drink it. You are drinking. Let me watch your first and see what go on.
See me Bible.
Hey.
People. Yo, you see? Me I say, alright people, I'm telling them I believe in a friendship like a 3 musketeers.
Suppose we belly start.
One for all for one. So we are all for one and one for all. This a boy wants to be dead.
Hey, no, listen me now, people. When they are on that video, suppose this man got get up now and go on this one, make him think can forward all the next 30 minutes or so. We know it's a belly run problem today. So we know we so chance it, alright, better.
Yo, people, me tell you.
At Jamaica, we come from, you know, we all know that, you know.
A long time not run people, if I have a belly run, supposed to make him happy.
Belly run problem, I don't know. Yo, what you say, you me have problem with the school system, our school system. But I can't understand, right? Me know you have American school, wear uniform, you know. But we would want to know if the school system better than for America. And I see it all the way. No, well, I can understand now why Americans have to opt to not making the kids wearing uniforms.
Private school wear uniform. Public school don't.
Yeah. No, but one I'm gonna show you in America, you can understand why it now is set that way there. Because climate change regular. So it will be snowing now. You can't expect people to wear uniform, just uniform in the snow. Them have to go. Do them outfit to them can manage in the cold, right? Yeah, so we can understand that. But what I say is don't it's supposed to order by the way how we do it. Then we allow the kids, right? If you know say there is a level of dress code means that you have to clean that the first thing, right? Yeah. And you can wear tear up clothes and all some type of clothes, right? For nice school. But me feel say that cheap if you make the kids them wear what them can afford. That's enough pressure I pick them every January morning. Every January morning I have pressure I pick them about book. It appears them in about book. And then uniform and them thing that you know, bro. And you know some school I tell you to that make it wicked. I remember this something to me, you know. You get one brown shoes from foreign from somebody where say, you know, say me help out them buy the shoes then. Five your father or somebody then, right? And you get the shoes. When you get the shoes now, you get the shoes a black, because then they know say a brown name for buy. And you tell the school I explain the situation, you know. And the school I go give you one time, I go tell you say within 3 months time you have to buy one brown shoes. But you have to get it. When you have to find school fee, lunch money and fearance in every day.
In all fairness, that's not a school fault, that's a government fault.
No, I not say it's school fault. That's why now that's why I reason it down, you know. That's I reason it down, you know, when I say don't it to that be better for economy then. If you not have a pressure, because I'm mostly
I look on it from this perspective, as in.
I'm mostly poor people are breed up and vote for them.
Look on it from
and that's not beat human them, you know, because I man them too.
That's what they call it objective truth. That are just facts. Statistics, science, everything proves so that poor people them have
yeah, me know about me I say me not make you look at you, me say breed up, me know look like a woman them me have it. Cause man them do the same thing too.
Yeah.
So me not make you catch that as a human them way. You get me? Yeah.
Yeah. So anytime somebody walk through that door officially on here, people, you know what I mean? Different vibes. So since we don't upgrade the thing with the subscribers and all, we are upgrade the things with the text. You see me I say? So big up on yourself, man, you see me?
Yeah. I want to finally get a wide view
angle.
As somebody say what they when I'm a friend that live stream on TikTok at the studio they call it, bro.
Yeah, studio they they take it to catch piece of studio.
But as we can see different because of the wide shot. You know, we just try have every, we just try incorporate the thing. As we are saying, we just
all angles like Dean Jackson Miller.
Exactly. So it's like we want to see every step, every improvement.
Just
you get
as
me?
we are saying, improve.
You see it.
So big up yourself again, fam. Yeah, I mean, Shaki, big up yourself.
Yeah, man. You know, respect mama. I mean, get the one with the black cock.
Yeah.
So
me get the one with the yellow cock.
For something special, another one, yeah.
Yeah.
For me, I'll fly a morning. One of the black cock, see that? If I something special night for me fly a morning, surely go fly. When I see me fly past and say, I'm bless you up, you know me that.
Yeah. But what we did I talk about before gloves and skirts? What are that, man?
A big board.
Big board.
Yeah.
But we know something to do with the youth them though.
About the youth them man in school, the outfit, man.
Yeah.
What may I say?
Here was my question. This is my question now, because this is a perspective I want you to read from. Where you say I think them should make everybody wear what them have, right? Then it become a self-esteem issue, it become a confidence issue in a youth, it become a open door for bullying now. Because you go see the haves versus the have nots.
Yeah.
Zane, and what you know now.
So hold on, listen what I say now. We are trying to tell me say when I answer that now.
It's harder to see though.
No, yeah, harder to see.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you why harder to see no. See? Yeah. Because watch this and we know. If I you changing jeans pants a man in easier to see than the khaki pants. We simply remain look like a different occupancy.
What if that you would come from a home?
Where mother wash it like me? As about 2 minutes of our 3.
You could have never ever.
You can't know.
Never ever.
You can't know. I'm tell this man, mommy, let me tell you how mommy did my uniform, brother. When me wash my uniform and put it down like when me wash my uniform and iron it and put it down. And see if in the morning I want to ring clean, it get rub up back again, you know. Hey boy.
That's where start everything I tell them I'm bro. Right now, me.
But Olana. But you must know. But you must know. You must know, bro.
So you come
Olana. No, but Olana. But alright, but I listen me I say. Alright. Just to find a reason for nigga can you say look why. For example, when my mother work and sell, seeing right now. You have anything in a Jamaica.
Yo, hold on a minute after your mother work and we have that thing there in Jamaica, but you see this, I give it nostalgia that don't have to see that. Yeah, man, big up for the self people. Yeah.
Bro, feel level how we have them thing they sell now. As I may say, clothes and them thing there, people can buy it. Like it me I say?
No.
Yeah. We can understand the thing, but I them thing I feel like we fair advocate for man. We put less stress on the people, man. Although we know we are unruly, you know. Because when youth are going to eventually start just like a dance, them are going, you know.
Yeah. But and that means that at the end of the day, even this up, it has
yo, just the same, man, you hear me? They with the school system in this term, you know, in this sense, yeah. Like how them supposed to deal with the church.
So
how most people deal with the church. Render your heart and not your garments.
Oh. You know what I say? So where you think I read?
Feel like someone know scriptures to a Bible. I want to know, man.
We so carry on a couple scriptures people phone in and trying to even know. But really and truly, before we even move off the subject.
I change it.
Yeah. Before we change off our subject, what you really feel like I go on a Grange, because it seems like Grange have an issue right now. What you feel like I go on there? You feel like I student them, you feel like I teacher them. You feel
then Virgin in a year, just like a woman I say, yo, oh me start to blame, you know, me started from the adult them, you know. And that's why all the while when I hear me talk about you, them know I saw. Me take part I blame too. To say we do it. For me generation. Because if I never we
own generation good man, my generation.
No, but me I say I feel be part of we too. Because you them when them small like Uno, right? We used to look up to we used to look up to other bigger people, pops them, Kemar them, Blegge them, we look up to. And we see for them thing different, bro. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
That good spot. That's how you train even where Brooks there. We don't know. You see what a Blegge and the whole I'm on them, eh? I suppose we don't know about right now. Mug is sick. See? Yeah. But me I talk about from you must remember Pavel. From the whole of them you there. From bungles that are Tigo long time woman. You remember that brother there? I want the woman tell me say film brother I say for him, but I think it's Stevie name. A long time they left cemetery road in that. I mean I say see in that generation they youth them always look up to we say bigger man them. And when them a go catch fish or go over so we used to go crawl, go play all baseball and them thing there. And them man the way I go with them a bigger man them. See? And you see how them a live now, you see what we do, me feel like it changed from we, bro. Big man thing. So we have to take part of blame and feel like adult them. When you reach age, you know, as a youth, you know, you have to start take your part of blame. You see it? Yeah. Some youth do just watch a we do and tell themselves say them have to overdo what we do.
It. That's how good. That's how it goes.
Exactly,
especially males, bro. That's how males evolve. So you see me? Yeah, we never want to do as good as we predecessors. So we want outdo them, we want to surpass them.
So when we used to do a cemetery road back then, now we talk about say you watch a man. We if we run off a turf dog, you know, we used to mean different things, you know. When they mean say, cause me see you them do it out the road, you know, me beg some see man how do it, you know. It taxi man them a pass and the man them a tell him say they want money for go run boat. That never happened at cemetery road in my time. You must be mad with spot boy. I wish taxi man we go tap on. I wish taxi boy can rank with we. Boy in $20. We not ask them nothing. We not ask nobody for nothing. That I first thing.
Yeah.
Cause we have got bush I think and go do one thing. You get me I say?
Remember. I don't know when that happened neither.
Yeah, me see a motor road. And when me see
one
it happen,
punk
me I say, yo, John.
I mix in between for your generation and for my generation. Because that's still I just see local old man, them don't know themselves. You know,
you them start pre-badness different. When I see what we used to do, you know, we are pre-badness and about
generation after, you know.
Yeah.
The one them come 5 years after. Yeah.
Then tell them say everything inclusive enough for them.
Yeah, man, them terrible.
Yeah, man.
You see me? And them put the bullying strain and we were forward 5 years after that.
So all right.
And that make we decide
so
we now pass the and use them before we are forward after we.
Exactly.
And that fuck up the cycle.
Exactly. Then that's already man I hear say man run a man. Send go to shop run a man. Shop where I must cook all food. Send go to food. Shop and say Ray. And me say man. Page shop and say now me I say we never pre them none talk about then. I go tell you why.
You can't do nothing in a village.
I'm gonna tell you. And I say you can't do nothing in a village, that I main thing. But to food generation did rank. It's like we have one we didn't call it then. Self-sufficientness about we.
Say the thing about phone generation.
Say we're not supposed to come beg you.
Phone generation they curse. Nobody near like you know. Then just say
no, for sure, we get one hard deal, you know, bro.
Then just say one as the original.
Yeah, we get one hard deal.
Starting of all this.
We get one hard deal.
Foolishness, yeah. So here we go on. Uno, knowing say, them people are really with we. That put up one piece of resistance like berries.
Yeah, man. Cause all if you man get tarnished, man, over one little weed record.
Yeah, man.
Honestly.
We get tarnished. A full generation make years of them start hate. Use them for no reason. No reason.
For sure.
You see me? We're not adventurous. We're not create a sort of mischief. We don't look like a gang because I'm 13 now, 18 now, when you not roll out. Never less than 6. You're lucky if you see 3. And if you see 3, you're going to meet 6, you're going to meet 9.
We make it all people them. Full generation.
Pause.
It's a full generation.
I'm going to meet 6, you meet 10.
Full generation make it all people them get scared a younger generation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unnecessarily.
Cause as me I say, I can remember a simple situation we done a ball ground. And the man who play ball, the man ball we go play, you know. Me not go play. But you know a ball ground and every youth I walk out. So I walk out to split fancy now and smoke. And we go on a college go sit down. Right when man have one sand with some black around it. And mark up on the top of the sand so they can go in the ground. See? And the whole of we go sit down on the block and we are smoke. I know through your smoke, and you had the right back away, you know, smoke go right in my yard. And the man simple come out and say, you know, he don't want the smoke go in there, house cause I'm picking them.
Yeah.
Bro, he man no come with no form of disrespect. The man simple just come say that. When me I will get up and move, you know, and say, every man I go do this here, you get me, I say, I beg some of them begs.
Yeah.
Because, and I like say, because I went set to make them begs, you know. Yeah. Because then deliberately just not like him long time or some other things they get me because other things they do.
Understandably.
And me I say, bro,
it's a reciprocated hate now because we are going, we are say you just don't like we.
Don't so like you
we. Come out with this unnecessary talk. Alright. Let me tell you what.
My whole now guys told don't more share way lead to what I say, you know why more say it other youth realize say you know have to follow peer pressure. Because my friend them did it and my friend them a front. I mean, I say, Virgin, a foolish not chat. We can go right over there, so see shady over there, so I'm going to sit down. And true, me say that I move, the man does move. And then still a grow. Man, I could say, yes. So, man, we all name one move, just sit down the longer till he move. And you say, when time we move, my everything done. But me tell you, say, since we mash up here, I go back down, I said ball ground in a wheelchair. Call it come out and come see me around there, watch ball game. Because I'm swinging vehicle forward and he just go in there and come out. And go buy 2
Why Kingfish then time there?
Kingfish then time there. And come out and just go buy 2 jack and I come now.
Hey, when you look up it, you didn't even know in Kingfish I ask you.
I ask you, eh? I sit down there, me and my reason. Sit down there just come chat to me, you know. And my Evans me a pray say, you know, I just show this something to me. He just come reason with me. But you know, we did the chat until he reached to the point of why make him really would go do that now. I see him thing, you know, I see him issue, you know. But they said cigarette, boy said smoking thing, you know. And he must say, remember man, me not forgot. When actually every man did them man, and you wanna say you're Ray.
Yeah.
You see me? And that's why me I say it because I want to youth them realize. So you know, have to follow peer pressure, bro.
But respect reciprocate as well.
As well. He's a big man that he didn't have to remember nothing.
Never have to. See, he never have to even take a second to notice one
if you notice,
and make a difference.
You see it.
And Mike Tyson would have tell, Mike Tyson, Muhammad Ali would have tell us, say, yo, good white people out there in a film time.
Yeah, man.
But 10,000 bad white people out there.
Yeah,
it's like you're foolish to let say 5 snake out of 10,000.
Out of 10,000. Bro, you don't have to follow peer pressure. I can tell you this. You can wake up a morning and one of your friends we have, you know, say, you ain't even bad like that. And him forward the runner this morning with that one brand new AK. A game alone, you see that, you know. And true because I first you see it and thing, and you know, so you don't want to see it for all, fire it and all them thing there and them thing they saying. But yet still you know, say trouble there, you know. But in a year, Eddie I tell yourself, say, you know, say, me just tell all the dogs, so look a lie. The dog I tell himself, say, oh, a coward. He better tell himself, say, you're coward. We can tell you that, hey, so when you're a big man, and you reach age like this now, and then he might come tell you, say, dog, you must say, a coward, you're coward. You know, you're not going to fear if you tell him. Say, hey, boy, I want to tell you. I piss me nearly piss up when me say it. Told me coward.
Boy, when me see that, I wonder if I'm me or forward.
Hey, brother, I start remember my whole family. And I tell myself, say, oh, you're not going to fear if you tell him, you know why? Yeah, go look for you and know, say, yo, you live through all of that and you have all your family know everything, bro. That come like least.
It's a family, man.
Don't follow peer pressure, fam.
People fear fuck. Me, this man here, as far as me know him, never been a follower. Always been a leader. I used to follow him. And that's why him get blamed. You see me? Likewise. Youth, people gravitate around me. That's why I say never been a follower.
Yeah,
always
man.
A leader. But I can tell you this. When me younger, stupid, senseless, man. I tell you just
yeah.
Yo. This man older than me by 10 years. So you know, alright, just that's the good thing about having OGs in a society. That's what I say. Because them give you direction. See, me used to say this man turn Christian. Because man OG when me did remember when him walk. Because me say,
different,
me understand life. Give you lemons and you make lemonades. Yeah, man start preach some peace like guru. Anytime I want to do some madness back in my younger days, and the man at 10 years ahead of my brethren.
Because what this, you always saw you understand what you don't have to do the badness. Now, for example, you can do your brethren, you know. I know say this a bro, you didn't want simple look of violence, in a way. He could have did walk you out, you know, say him tell you that, you know, say you can allow this, you know. But you that boy there with this him, he no figure so. And then he just decide say, Ray. And you see that one thing they went to follow him furious in life until he's dead.
Yeah, man.
And you look funny and say, bro, look how man could have did low that.
Could have been reason why he's dead. On a year, Laba said, sometime I brave till he make me look stupid. J. Cole, they have one next song where I say, he laugh after some man forward for rob him. And the man them have gun. And him no know, but two man them look. You see me and say, pride, you see? When I let go of a fight, man, I kill her.
Yeah,
every young youth. You see me? Yeah. My brother would have said, pride, you know, give you nothing, you only make a keep you have. You see what I say? Now, me would have tell you, say, like what you hear other people say, it's hard to follow your own advice or truth.
Yo,
proud bad enough.
You can watch you now. Can watch you now. As we were saying, watch you now, man. You can't, to me, you know, you can't walk, man. You can't walk on who you is, you know. You have to always just be who you is, you know.
Yeah, man.
Seeing?
I make necessary corrections.
Yeah, but the point is, or the thing is, you have to can identify when a pride that drive your action.
Yeah.
I know you that. I just pride that drive the action, yeah. You get me? I say, either you want to spite somebody, or you tell yourself, say, people not look upon you that way there. Or you get me? I say,
yeah.
You if you can tell yourself this, man, alright, you know, say, I'm going to show you a thing. I'm going to show you start from with me, from me I go school. When I tell myself, say, you have one thing where most youth go through, or most away. We always call that thing, if me did know. So that if me didn't know thing there. Saying,
some of the
so you know why greatest thing any youth can do. You see it? It's a some of a bitch.
Yeah,
you know why greatest thing any youth can do to me? And you see when you have that thought, they like for example, you can see violence happening, you know. You can see say yo, you know, say yes, so sitting about for me, you know. Cause to that somebody attack to me, him now back me.
Spider senses are starting, man.
Yes, I watch you know say you know say
know
you
what time it is.
You know say you
escalated, adrenaline a pump.
You get me I say?
Ear again tense.
Yo, you know say you can tell yourself say what is.
War is in the air.
You know say if you continue to put that brother here, you know it now gonna stop. And if you walk away, you're gonna look like a coward. And that decision there, you know. At that decision there. But here when me tell myself say every youth supposed to pray. Try pray for now the end result tight. Because if you tell yourself say you're a baddest thing then, just tell yourself say he not gonna win, you know. You no matter what go on another fight or what go up, no, me know him not gonna win. And if me I go win him now back down, that simply means me I go murder him. And if me murder him, what go up next?
Alright.
Because watch out, me not have $50 for go take one bus for go country.
Much more.
Mommy can go give me, daddy can go give me.
Lift up go somewhere.
Motors for go lift up.
Catch.
I mean I know where else to go.
Any one of the option them, me not have money for it. Zine, but here we go. The key thing to take away from when you just say is think about it from now.
Yeah.
Because you can't think about it in a situation. No. In a situation.
No, me show you how you can start. Cause you man me do it.
No, it's called
premeditation.
So
no,
you have to think about it beforehand.
But yo, me start with.
So that way it click. It's like a muscle memory. You remember, say yo, you know me I see this already, brethren.
Yo, me start with.
Just load this.
But you know, me start with.
I've got a lick off in head.
Me start like this. If you're there in school, you can start like this. See? Just tell yourself this say. In a day in a class, no matter who then, even for your girlfriend. See? Sitting and going in a class right now where you just not understand. And you decide say, whether English or maths, you love that one you want to go on and you want to learn, you know. But you don't understand it. And I trouble you go give teacher, you know. But just decide your mind, say, you know, say, me not left out today until me know, you know. And a teacher me go give trouble today until she make me catch it.
Yeah.
So every time she go on next part, me hold up me hand.
You can't left me.
Me no know that. Me no understand that this. So when the rest of class I go look.
Can't tell me then.
Yeah, it's when the rest of class I go look and laugh at you when your girlfriend go say, you really not know that?
Yeah.
Tell her. And the next way too. Yeah, you're virgin them like said, tall dog. Yeah. Saying, but we're competitive in our reasoning. Anytime you reason something with your virgin. When me can tell you say like you watch a video last night and you see it. And you know what video say, you know. So you get a key point out there, but you don't remember the full thing. And your friend argue it down with you. You know some friend who just argue minute details. Cause you realize say you're not sure. Don't go on like say you plant information in your head, fam.
Yeah.
And you alone information privy to. Just tell me just watch and you didn't have to tell me the truth, you know. Just say yo bro, you know, so not like you tell. Me see you so good remember, you know.
Yo.
But you know, so when me see your type video at this. But me see, just don't go and like say you have it right.
Alright.
Anytime you can take say you can wrong.
Yeah.
You have to reach to the point where you can walk out some situation.
More
tell
you.
Yeah.
Alright.
You grow.
Me give you two response. First response to
from school days me learn anything.
First response to your school day. The school scenario. Where you're in a class and you ask the question. Majority of the time I'm telling you this. Zane, if you pay attention because you love the subject like what Daga say, and you miss the information, majority of the time half of class miss the information with your too. At school, let's be real. Zane, but you're with half of class and you don't have in common. You have the balls or you have the courage if you're a female.
Yeah.
To hold up your hand and say, I don't understand. Now you see half of class will understand, I go laugh, which I go trigger half will not understand to laugh because them a sheep. You get what me I say? But them not understand neither. So if you want to eliminate that, just volunteer and tell teacher directly say, me will be the fool for the rest of the fool them when I know miss.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I make people aware. So you see the rest of the fool them, all if them just laugh then really I go start take you serious or different. You see me? So I just share a joke. Second to film scenario point now where he must say way and the minute details and rated. We have one warrior where we are grow right now. Hold on. Yeah, we have one warrior grow right now. Zane Devon. Big up yourself, Devon the doctor. You see me? Who not supposed to know him as Goku. You see me? Them man the undefeated boxing champion I place. You see me I say? Yeah man. So what you know now? Then the warrior there, rough. But for him, biggest thing is humility for tell you say, he don't know. You know, you ever hear some people where you reason with them, Zane, and you say to them, say, yo, you just go on, you prolong one long conversation, Zane, and then you say, yo, you know what I say? And then just shake their head, yes, because they want you to move to your next point. They don't know what you say. You see what I say? They don't know what you say. But here we go on. Them not going to tell you that.
Because well, I know, you know, so I see that thing in a movie or something already. You know, say, if you want, if you disbelieve in me, what you can do. Same time you see happen again, you have to do. Stop right there, so I ask somebody say, what me I say?
What me say?
What me I say? Just stop and ask him and say. He might try to find every excuse to make it look like he know, but he don't know.
3/4 time in good as all face with half of your conversation.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So you hear me now. The thing is, you never told. That's how youths end up getting themselves in a trouble. Alright. Scenario of my own now. Somebody forward. Yeah, you rate this your youth here. You know so then youth are bad in that place. You see me them man a dog in that place. You see me I say, you forward round one warrior if him till you reach round him. You see me? You go on. Cause you're young youth, you go and try be the man same way. You see me? Try act like you want cool dog to say dog give you in ratings and earth. You know what I mean? Because so society stay. Well, we just want to be accepted. Zane in a somewhere, somewhat, some form. Zane, boom. Then ask you, I talk about Mackie level. Zane, and I tell you about some things, about the pin and all of this and rate and you see me? And I say, yo, yeah man, and you see when me done with it, man, fire like silk. You see me I say? Yeah, shake your head, you see me I say. You know, see me I say, you don't even know one and then tie gun there from back in like good days them. Much more one Mackie level. You see me I say? Yeah. That person now, you're not too big to tell that man say, yo, you know me no know. I guarantee you I gonna have more respect. If rest a clowny them round we laugh.
I feel like that's why hell of them rape me, so why me was perceived as somebody as a bad picnic.
Yeah.
Because me get to go around certain things early as a youth. Because hell of them realize say as a youth, me not really that me not as fine as that say me not too cocky then.
Jumpy
yeah. Me not go on like me just me do all that. Yo, me there have to learn. So you see if somebody has something me not know. Me not pretend like me know. So what?
So yeah, master man. If you don't know, just say you don't know. You see if you know a whole lot, you would see a whole heap of lives in Jamaica especially.
Yes, man.
Me? And that's a conclusion. Because I feel like no problem there in high school. The problem is with the youths them ego, how the school system and the parents are work together. Because the thing is the parents and the school system are work apart because parents are saying, me no want you do this to me youth, me no want you do this to me youth, yet still them not have time to do it.
Yo, me never go foreign yet, but me genuinely believe say Jamaican teachers, see, I do a lot more for pick them than overseas school system. Me believe that, bro.
Alright.
Yo, you have some teacher. We basically have some picnic. Hey, so me used to go to school, bro. Some teacher used to love me like cook food, man. Yeah. I tell you, I used to have one teacher when they miss good. I gotta tell you got people are gonna hear it and make it look like and it gonna seem like say abuse. And me used to preach as abuse because I tell my parents them when me old and me realize you know it's a good thing human that does me know. The human used to come in on my head and on me alone. other students too. When me I go over Denby Primary. You know why
just
she do
like
it then
Franco.
time there? She a conk in her head that tell her say, don't go spend half all her money lunchtime. Can go down a school bank. Then time there, Denby Primary get on school banking system. Can go down there?
You know,
go put in a
we
bank.
don't get back no money from school.
No, me know that. So we not know from that the banking, because the banking system they crash. I think I did one overseas bank.
Stock market.
Yeah, no, it did bankrupt. It did bankrupt. I did one overseas bank. Them do it, you know. So some things did go on and the money did miss me. Understand? But where she did that do? Just think about it, you know, man. Instead of make the youth and them have all their money. When if he get $50, when he could go put you see it $5 if he start if and them time the bro.
Teach him a principle.
And if he say them
and
thing help me.
The principle is not about saving, you know, because saving is really shit, you know. The principle is about moderating yourself.
Why me go tell you? Because me feel say them thing they help me throughout my school time, bro. Remember me I got them school there at $75 me used to get. And you can ask your mother. Me no go school and come home without money in my pocket. Because me tell you as a youth, I don't want they home now after school and want something. And I have to think about go back to my parents. Because I know a morning, more lunch money though. And if you save the money, when Friday come or whatever you want, you can buy it for your own without asking. So me been saving. And I know all of them things there. By Miss Good. Miss Good, me know I say eventually with the insurance and tell mommy and you know. But you know, because I'm a godmother, you know.
Yeah?
You want me tell you about my godmother, you know?
Your godmother?
When me I go Gavia, me and her daughter, and I said class
that's
to you know.
That's why I forget come to. Oh no, mother still a come to your blouse and skirts. I just call me name and I watch this and see.
Bro, me say,
I say, boy, yes, yeah. Me check it. Listen.
If you save your money.
Yeah, but.
So me feel say with school system I do a lot.
Nah,
lie. And hear what?
One piece of ice more.
You pick them. Supposed to get some whopping at them.
Excuse me, people. Yeah, that's happen.
I feel like it teacher them more if you want to pick it than some of them parents. I tell you. And them parents want to pick them for not at all. They foolish.
Teachers
when the teacher them are going to whop you for your homework.
Teachers spend it.
You see me?
Teachers spend more time with the picnic than you.
What you mean, bro? Hey, I'm not gonna lie, you know. So sitting when me see them.
I tell the people, I'm not gonna lie, yo.
Yeah, me not gonna lie for sure. Me not gonna lie, listen me. So I'm sitting when me see them picnic I don't know what days for a video to teacher. Hey boy, if you try that in my days, Virgin, I can tell you that. Then time there, Mr. Francis, I walk with one something what they call boss me.
Yeah,
I want full. Hey, them call the belt, you know. But you why me say no belt? You know have no something there
control.
Yeah, and you know no punch hole and you know no part you have something there. Like a buckle.
Like buckle.
You know, so any hold it from you know. It's when a Franco we call him. Mr. Francis, you know.
Big up yourself,
but a Franco we call him. And you know, say man can't see good, you know. So you see,
Franco
man have one big glass.
It's where
they man they rise the bus me. A jaw up near, you know, because watching the girt in your pants, you know, with your belt there, then girt, you know, and jaw up near to him so when can see you so.
And watching on.
Alright, it must be.
Me used to take you as joke, you know, because here we go on. I realize that I get beaten. This man I get it beat. Me I get beaten, you know, but him I get it hotter.
Yo.
I just threw me younger.
Stop it.
Daddy. Whoop. Whoop.
Yo.
Whoop. You man slap back yourself like back. I don't understand it.
It come like we have to go title a video, story time, people.
Yo.
I hear what I go on. See, I want the story more share, you know, just like how the party school thing, you know. I'm going to show you why they time they whopping the pit them did better. See it?
Yeah, it's better.
Do you see them time when phone just a forward in Jamaica? Enough people don't remember them time, you know, but me are old people. So we can't tell you time phone just a forward. See, in time the people have landline. You know, have no cell phone. A landline, you have to go your yard. I tell you. So you wanna it just a reach in some community. We reach a few community, you know. But it just reach. From Virgin have a long time. So till film family them go foreign and get an answering machine. You know the answering machine with a little cassette tonight. Where you just have to rewind it and play back.
Yeah.
One of them there. Me say dog, you know say he dog go give you a number. Cause when we go home, you know, we are doing, you know, we find out about things so you can link up 3 ways. call someone, I call them man. You understand? We'll have it on the phone. So we are waiting that every day. We find out that Denver name too, you know. Denver. Find out that Denver have phone too. And we get Denver number. So when you go home, go call Denver.
Denver too.
Denver no reach home, you know? And we go call him. Jesus Christ. Call him about 4 times and can't get him. Left some ends of bad word when you realize say bad machine appeal off well off. I say, yeah. So this a man rich. The man have machine and say machine. Then time they ring phone ring. Then time they ring phone ring right out, brother. Ring until you inside. I somebody hang up. So you know say hey we left some ends of bad word pan the man answering machine. The man mother come home and come listen it. Can't come over them be primary. Them primary we are going now. Can't come over them be primary. That them claim say happening, you know. Cause we no know say that happening, but we know a bad old them we left pan it.
Yeah.
Can't win office. See him? Mr. Francis. Mr. Brown and time my teacher. See him? And me and Tado, you know. So Tado can't test to the Tado good see video and saying so forward there. So you know say Tado the party too. Tado power me job so. Tado the party too, you know, Mr. We left so bad word. So you know say Mr. Francis. Mr. Francis swap winner. And send me our class, you know. Say you know when you go in a class, Mr. Brown, no wonder we can cause our farm teacher. Yeah. A problem no the brother.
So 2 more.
Me say bro, that the man deal with the wicked. Cause you know a bench them we have we sit down like 4 or 3 people sit down in night. And you have a long desk in front of you. And that day we sit down on. And all the man make we do a turn up and we burn over so.
What?
I'm gonna tell you now say why yes.
Hey,
but me
hear this song ya.
You know? Me say brother, man wap we.
Hold on, me answer the call.
Bro, wait. That's why I mean not even but I use the lifting, you know.
Yeah.
So I mean use wap.
Yeah.
I mean no you come with the foolish, you know. But I talk exactly it is. Say man give me some dirty lick. Say you know what I said so. And start ball. But you ever know. Me did have one little girlfriend at high school, you know. So you know some man are pretend tough, you know.
Oh, you have to tough up.
Hey boy, me say 2 man beat the man. I'm going to say no, watch now. The man started to come on way and I put out 2 hands so. And you know say in a hand so you know at least you know. It's when the belt catch up here so. I type problem, you know. And me say every time the man go so whap man aside them me say hey bro. Tado ball till it. I know say I want to man match to me remember I said thing. You see Mr. Broad give me so.
Yo.
Mr. Broad give me so dirty lick.
I run up phone bill, man. I run up phone bill to 17,000 a semi time I call girl. Right now told me young mommy na pre-say me she a pre-say. One, she a pre-say I either Gary or Troubles cause Gary do it already. Troubles do it, you know. I mean, I remember if Troubles do it, but Gary
online phone bill though.
Yeah, online phone bill. Gary do it and have Troubles under the sheet. Attack like a Troubles him attack too.
Right than somebody else.
Whether he phone in there for the chatting girls, so all mommy a praise I play the road there plays. One bill run up, we don't know was it 15,000.
I give him on them.
No, mommy know that everybody know. That's why I want. Cause she can correct me if the story wrong. Cause you don't know much with so I might not remember it most accurately. But
come here say I give him on anything, bro.
17, I give young youth them recipe. And you alone and I use online no more. So you see me?
No, sir.
But yo, brother, I chat to film girl now from back road then time then I break in boop so. Run up the blouse and skirts building a dog. Zane say, I don't know, say, mommy never ask no question, come here, baby, I house, yeah? Oh, think, whap up dog them. You see me, I say, be a cousin and ray. Say, I don't know, say, a G-man now. I do nothing more than frowns. And I say, to himself, say, yo, oh, you don't believe me when me I tell you, say, I know me, I mean, who wanna blow me.
For me, they say they don't whap up you?
They don't whap up me.
Okay, for me, that I go on,
huh? Yeah. Oh, you mean G-man them? Oh, no, they don't whap up me. They tell mommy, me guess.
Yeah. Look at the mommy. At our land. Look at the man. Mommy whap me up already, you know.
Yeah,
that can come off back, you know. I will you get whap up now, you know.
Yeah.
My whap up can't change again, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, brother,
don't forget to double door.
What?
You're mad, man. We kill them, man. You tell me I leave their house. Right now, I don't remember if I get beaten, Army get beaten. Army not get some money if I go some couple next school events or couple something like that. I remember how I go.
As I tell you, say I want to go different. This is the one, but I think I'm the one, brother. I hear me as the same. You really feel safe me up my brother. And I when mommy gone. And I'm have to know saying can't tell mommy forward.
What?
Can't tell mommy forward.
You must feel like you're God. Boy, you don't know if your mother ever mad one, boy. I'm tell you something, boy. But just need for ball one. Hey, I'm tell you something. One time, you see, mommy up on the veranda and trouble stump me, you know, downstairs. I'm run go up on the stairs and run go up the stairs, go drop on the veranda in front of mommy and ball out. You see, trouble get some blood.
Yo, you're the mama's boy, I confess. What do you hear people? What do you hear people?
You have to fear mommy match like mad, you know, brother. You idiot. Ramp with mommy, boy.
Hey, boy, I don't ramp with him. Hey, listen, man, I know, brother, you know.
Hey.
After me, mommy bust up all the while, and come ramp through, you know.
I remember me and Troubles I got school, and I say bust up head, and Troubles, mommy got to Troubles, and like Troubles go back talking. I got school, you know. Daddy want me here, poof, with the blouse and skirts, washing brush. You see, she chew a little longer, me I say, boom, bro.
You don't get one too.
Eh?
Don't get a washing brush too.
What?
Hey, the thing I washing brush me get, I tell you what me get. You know I run part of the pants so big old engine block. But then take off a so engine block, but we sit down for one then but I'm bored for it. I that thing wash pan. See? I bored one meter about one of the heavy water soak board there, bro. Mum just get up and fight and sail it. Brother, jawbone like a dislocate. If you ever know how long my face well for bridging.
Yeah, man.
Till Kirk Bex.
Yeah,
Well, I know, yesterday thing how we are saying, it might sound like abuse, you know, but I can tell you that, you know, man. My daddy used to go up and farm work, you know.
And then I said, let me work.
You see, mommy doing anything there, make me know, say, watch out. We get to enough things with mommy, you know, but at the same time, she start right now, by around out, she mash up.
Yo.
She mash it up the size, man. I'll show you, say, yo, watch out, man. Ease yourself. That man, nowadays, when me see you, them go on. We could do them thing there, bro.
Find Eddie Murphy. Because you talk about we and you talk about fluid generation. We know all like Eddie Murphy and we they grew up in a foreign, we don't feel like foreign more protective.
Yeah.
Find Eddie Murphy, rotating heel, rotating spike heel. You see me, a delirious, you know. Uno kids tuning into something very special of the generation.
They got them mothers that would hit you with a shoe. I had a mother that would throw a shoe at you at the drop of a dime and fuck you up wherever she was aiming. She would like carry that shit like a gun. By the time I was like 10, my mother was like Clint Eastwood with a shoe. And you fuck up, my mother walk in the room was like. Why'd you eat the ice cream off the floor? I didn't know ice cream. Bad. Accurate. You be in a supermarket and shit and be grabbing cereal off the counter going, Ma, can we get this? She'll say, I guess not.
I guess not.
And can be doing 3 different things. Be on the phone with my grandmother and be cooking with this hand, have the phone like this and be saying, yeah, mama, hold on a second. Bad. Fuck you up. And God forbid my mother be dressed up and have them high heel Jimsons on. Them pumps. Because then she gets boomerang action going on your ass. And fuck you up in the room, you won't even know what the fuck happened. They can hear you when they're getting ready to walk out the door, hear you on the bunk beds fucking around. They got that mother hearing, they hear that shit. They say, wait a minute, baby. Let's go.
That's a boomerang.
Yeah, man. Before me born, this is special I do. See, so you do the maths there.
Yeah, man.
It helps.
Yo, let me tell you this, man. 2 things we don't really miss, man. And I say going, we just feel like when they deliberately want make sure say as they say as they Murphy say, you definitely want to fuck up that thing. Like all you, like all me in my case, yeah. I see anyone who miss one dog or shit in a yard. Remember me tell her, man, just one stone in to find and dog a ball out.
Problem.
Yeah, dog a go ball out.
We know that. Me see that.
That tell her, no miss, brother. We say, we don't know, I don't like a smart way can fling good, you know. Can you see if you could have fling good, all the dog, they all like, no, that didn't. Yeah, but it's to what correct.
Yo, I'm telling you now. So, people, bring back beating, and that will fix the solution to the school problem. Next topic.
But you hear that? You're deaf. Yo, Mama, show yourself that you can compliment you too.
Say you don't know thanks. You know that already.
Yeah, man, blessing Stephanie, you know.
Jeff. Yeah, man. Jeff. Her skirt, man. Her skirt. Taps and roses, people. Everything in that place. And that's strong.
You don't see a fight tune up already.
Oh no.
Yeah, wait tune it.
When I pop no balloon in this, but I don't know. On the top of the screen. Say the rose them. Oh no, what you do? Forward the dragon them. I wanna do your. We never really drink dragon later date we talk about. You see it? Yeah, but no walk on the back too. What is? You can't do this.
Quality cards, you wish
Who is?
I want you one. Or the same one. You want to talk about the bicycle, man?
Which bicycles?
A bike. Quality talk in the car. Yo, listen, I say, I can't play this, man, I understand. Hey, tell him that. Huh? Hey, you are one. Boy. Shut up, the car! Hey, boy, play back again.
What is that?
I'm Earthstrong, man, I play this. Otherwise, it's that. No, man, that's that, man.
What is, man?
Alright, I bet you know the next one.
You sure I know the next one?
I bet you know the next one. I bet you know the next one. Hold on.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm checking. Yeah, go around back in the car now, eh? I put that in them, boy. Oh, you know, the toes, yeah.
Run! Beach the bar, underground mega. Get the most, not the lesser. Straight terror, but under your errors. Pushing culture, baby, got that partner you can measure. Trendsetter, the one who get a winner. Swerving while I'm bumping Project Panther. Yeah, rolling through the city with the big dogs. The laws, loyal with me, we ain't got a cow. Telling you salad with the product in the pedal line. That's how you make the money pop for everyone involved. And if you don't deserve a custom, we gon' cut them off. Robert got me looking proper every single time. Fresh fade, getting painted on that top grade. You ain't rocking out a lot, then what we on? And you know I got a boy for that ones who go. R.I.P.'s in your memory. When I died, it was buried me.
I'm going to a DJ up here up now. So I tell you, hey people, I tell the boy, say, set up a virtual DJ and swing a computer screen. Here boy, I tell me that.
Oh, son of my Earthstrong, we don't want to have a computer for you.
Yeah, I tell me, I'm strong to find music now.
Alright.
Yeah? Tell people, tell the boy, tell me pull up his virtual. Right now, virtual, right there, right there on the screen. Right.
Yeah, the one of color.
Hands on God, so I'm many like a surgeon. The skin color like the bourbon. Worldwide sign that we face
I'm not corrected. See, the after first one. But you know, let's show them. You know, got you.
So we find a way to cope that. Only thing I'm making is a bag with emotions. Yeah, ready to bring out the goodies, stuck in it.
I see him some, no. I want to rip him, still up, hey. Say, it's that in the music.
I guess some things don't leave me fully. The church push me to the chop. When I budge, if you die, in the sky, my bookie. And my bookie taking bats. Prophets as a prophet when he knows coming next. Like, ooh.
See that? I know DT up there now.
Never forget the deal.
DT going down. They don't know what they're in a real time. They never tell her. Look at that, the true youth. Go never stop. Go never go. Smoke it. See them gunners lead there. I never go down there and get that. You see that be a real warrior. Oh, fuck that, yo. No, you don't get no. Me just give them it. Just give them that fun. Volume. Bitch, no question the loyalty. Big up with that, yeah, see what this is. You see? Watch out now, John. Got it on this. Spread what? I'm smoking for this strong with the 2 and 1. Double straight. What's fertilizer there, my own? Yeah, that me I tell you right now, say I'm here and you and I got that. Aye. You're praying out. Oh, tell me that, shit. That's when they give you that. When they give you that last night, see? They have money in a bunch. They have weed no more. I'm the I grade them on your body and we sleep. We reach the last night when we squeeze that out. Let him say, blood God. Crazy the one on this. What me tell him? I'm sitting here telling him say smell good. Smell good as fuck.
You don't know I grade 116 dogs. No trees before they have a gun.
Yeah, that's the dogs that kill you.
When going pipeline, now it's extend.
I'm going to come in like this.
I'm prettier than they are too.
Now we have fun. Yeah, smoke it, Joe. Pick up yourself on the strap man and know you come down. What do you have to? But you say rum free or one free? Think you say rum free. But you don't know.
Body number dog, you hear that?
Open that head. I'm here, man. Lights up. Hold it away.
Turn it up, body head. What you know now?
Run
it. So, swing that thing. Walk out the bird. Fire.
Play music signal, very nice song. Hey, me say, that's why I want song to play this morning, and I saw square and turn off my radio. Cause as me reach halfway there, I saw square breaks come up.
Good man, you good.
Play the busy signal birthday, happy birthday. Me say, hey, if you don't want me here, they eat the blood class and just plug out everything. I just plug out it.
Every year that song they play in a youth.
I last year was man wicked. You can't see man
every day they play.
Oh.
Yes. Every year.
Boy, wickedest in that.
I say, say wicked and lying. I'm say it's too longer.
Yeah, I got Saskatchewan longer view. And Saskatchewan longest running. Original. If I want buckle of thing by
Earthstrong.
Yeah, man, I the buckle class Saskatchewan them back from way back, man, what you say? I ultimate Earth down, so I don't have another Earthstrong song to play. But you see Tosh come out and say you play a busy singer, just plug out the box. They say corruption.
Experience a lot along the way.
Yeah, man, start fucking juggling from we at them time, yeah. Oh, 18 or 17, it can't manage.
Just come from being
like it just a
some boy never know where I get king.
I gotta know we get through. I miss it like daily, I feel like someone better. Daddy, I went to the doctor today. They said the symptoms of my life.
A lot of dangerous things. I want to know everybody so warm. They are open FBI and CIA.
I saw the guy drink it.
And it makes me paradise.
No. Where's there?
It's sitting there, man. Oh, that one I'm making out.
And if them fool catch me off, can.
Nah, me say I want a glass cup them with this jar, me never buy you. I want one of them here, where it just fly.
They don't tell me just sell a quiet. You can't drink it, no time to drink it.
Yeah.
Shoot up the place and go light up the gate.
And that's place to try and say, you know, one part of the lock and club just say, you know. So when the job is fully sealed. Una woman in the back,
them say karma is a bitch, months of day that I don't know me mate still fuck up on a restaurant.
That's it up a bad bro, I can't show for the
you're not just none.
Yeah?
When we can't show for the video, I
you're a superstar.
See that, it's a blessing youth. It's a blessing, say boy lucky, the boy very lucky now.
Yeah.
See a man come up here and just turn up and sorry about here and get a girl. Number look like a foreign number to the boy. Come good long now, go on now. I mean
listen, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Bumbo.
And that way I show you, say, watch out. You tell me about Mel. I just like when Dan say she don't get me, she must get a friend of mine.
And in the show me a star. Big Zim Records, yeah. Big Zim Records.
More life for them, dog. Blessed fresh money, you hear that richest blessing, dog.
Blood clot shot at your heart now. Hey, youth. Hey. Give me a cinnamon. And I want to make you poor walk now.
What?
No walk.
What?
I'm going to need boom in the youth.
Yes, sir.
With the blood clot, yeah, say water. This is bossing fam. Yes, I don't believe.
Dog, see you heat off of me. I'm glad you buy one kerchief this morning.
Hey, dog, give me a cinnamon right now, my stomach set gun man.
Dog, Mr. Boy. Goddamn, let's get this.
Hey, what is it? Flag in that and that.
Black yellow, white yellow, black matic on
white cheese, and it.
Stop with the matic, let me do it.
Fuck to them. Yeah, man, fuck to them.
I want you to shoot it down, when she masturbate, I don't want to know your work, and I never masturbate. You want to make the freakiness in your data when the face don't come and go out like your ass a shit. Goddamn. I like the party them up. I look when me shopping and never. It's black girl from my white girl. I'm in a racist black matic from my white cheese. Them cut your hands up foreign until I'm here right now, my dog. Wow, pretty here, pretty one. I got money in my home and I never pass a bit. The one for me the freakiness in the head and the way. But you make the other shit. Look when me
kick spot and let the pot of snake. Never hit soft, I hit some, me never try to break. Move bigger than mountain, me no shot of faith, move me that a small talk. Like me no water rate, a mansion fear. Some crisp park again, some crisp on my belly with the scars I hate. Idiot. Someone.
Flame. You're up. Yeah, Max. Where Max there?
I tell you, man.
Max. Yeah, Charlie say I be a practice. Like active.
And I said on this.
So what else? Well, you asked me how long? No, I'm gonna fuck up.
No, remember me didn't know say how many.
Yo, top shot again.
Alright. Dog, I've make it fancy. Go just in for it.
Yeah, go on the dollar.
Supposed to
know. No,
yeah, boy, I think they can't select music, so they want to spread the word. Yo, me need plan out it before me play first one.
You know, see the pussy them a flip, so me give them everything in a the clip. Give them everything in a the clip. Give them everything in a the clip. Run up and on the gun, like iron line them. While I'm familiar, try and find them. Take your picket, see up with the lock kind them. Rifle, tie and die them. Hey, kill them all off. When I take styling and craft. Make your rifle lift up like a aircraft. Them more and I figure keep on a year pass. Can't fuck with the truck, them a spare parts. The street sweeper clear the way fast. You know see them a flip, so me give them everything in a the clip. Give them everything in a the clip. Give them everything in a the clip. Them a bad back and ice, everything a rise. Everything I dead from the other side. In a blood them a run, missing man a slide. Can't tap in on me shoes, pussy check your size. See them on his name, body check your size. One God run the place, no otherwise. Anywhere you go, you get it unapologetic. If you bust the head, to make him finger make it. Send out the ground trooper, a little young shooter. We not giant lip boy, the pee back flick. Pussy me no run tutor. The little bird brain fly like parachute. The 9X full of teeth like barracuda. When the 40 I cannot alone, it a break your chest bone. Them know some me violent pro. When up down Black Road, nothing can pass. Money do it anytime, anywhere. We know we're schemas. And back me when I say that I'm much like glass. You know see the pussy them a flip, so me give them everything in a the clip. Give them everything in a the clip. Give them everything in a the clip. Run up in on the blood. Like iron line them. Wild ass family, I try and find them. Take your picket, see up with the lock kind them. Rifle, tie and die them. Hey.
I'm not playing a cartel for man. You don't see that? You don't see that?
When I'm going over country madness. Lay a penny in the place. Farm cherry tree lane, fear in the place. Westmoreland and Nova in the place.
Yes, Turbo!
Oh, you can't get my pan of time. You have to catch me in a house like two in a time. One thing do me have a million drama. If you make it past this, I'm like a skill Maradona. But you fuck if you go touch your front door, Panorama. Melt you like gold, Jularama, get warmer. Me and my boy food, not like Jeffrey Dahmer. We not do it, make in pharmacy, Fantana. Get it? I am the chancellor, Adija Palmer. I love Africa, Kenya, Ghana, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Botswana. In the South Africa, Shaka Zulu, full of honor. Egypt, our place, here, full time. God, cancer, governance, the Lawadana. Catch me in a house like we can't tell you this. We don't feel like we must get face. Can't let our poor rock your face. Dog like a walk, speed up your last year. So clean and move out with your last year. When you feel like you just got face. Can't like a walk, pour up your last years. Dog like a walk, speed up your last years. Clean and move out with the tall year. Grange, we full of weapon, we full of a machine like Tiffany to Denner. Open at the pyramid, I kick it like Mesa. Oh, the fear was up to go now without pressure. Hey boy, remember we just start now, but don't place like if you know. Ain't no forgiveness for transgression. Can't take weapons, speed 7 every second. Left hand straight, man, in your team, not pressure. Tommy gonna like come run canyon in session. None of them know what them just give the impression. Remember when we lock the whole lava with pressure. Everything lift up all 38 special. Everywhere me go me tank and my gun full of petrol. Press them and lift up like gold pan the chevron. Left the road there and the yard, not different. Ice cream wire. We don't feel like we don't scar face. Can't like a walk, pour up your last face. Dog like a walk, speed up your last face. Some Green Island, we walk with the last face. We don't feel like we don't scar face. Can't like a walk, pour up your last face. Dog like a walk.
Yeah, crazy. Where did I wait?
Job City.
Yeah, did I wait? That's cool, man.
Chip chop.
Yeah.
Yo. Yeah, we are.
But these up a damn self, you know.
Yeah, straight. Straight. Believe no man. Me don't show a dog, man. You look like, from me see location, me know a port, you see it? Yeah. Yeah, man, from see location, man, the big store, them and thing, man, you know I go, man. So, and when you chip in, same way, dog. Straight, no, we're there, man. I want to be vibes already, man. We're there, I want to be vibes already, man. I mean, chip, fully chop, all the podcast. You heard it from the sponsors. Let's smoke the free.
That's cool, man. More blessings, presidential, man. You see it? You see it? Which one is it? One family. Alright, my G. You see it. You know where you go, my G. Yeah, man, you know where you go.
You can't chill out there, and the yoga.
Yeah, man, blessings, man, and guidance on the road enough fam. You see it?
Yeah.
Say the way, bro.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Hey, dogs, every place. Squash, man, one family.
Eh? Do what?
Dogs every place. Squash, man. Everything.
Oh,
squash, man.
no, man, oh, God, man. Suppose me tell you, so when me hear what you're saying about when me hear one family, instantly me look for my phone, come and say, yo, I'm going to play squash right now. Then, I think say you have to play. Play, man. At the bumper class. What you know about Loyal? I want family, my friend. Them the tune there. Alright, me have one Earthstrong playlist in this. When you give me juggling, I would have got turn over to it. I first song in that playlist. One family, my friend.
And one general, family. One done, one general, 1-6 G-Man. Yo, Sal Spring, money time, yeah, we done like badness. No matter, yo, we just pop any and bun bone, general, Split. One family, make money and share with our boy. One general, 6 out here, we no fear them boy. We no fear them boy. This is family, big like a smoke destroyer. My friend Japachi, we have money for the liar. One family, I'm a brother, them know. When nothing has one of them, they run. Granite liar, we never sell me out. One family that me tell you about. R.I.P.G. man, anyway. From them, not say 6, them are the enemy. Any other we are there that I say me J. Granite liar, tell them, bad like El Chapo. Money that you suffer, you tell like you money laptop. Family, me say the house. Rub. Bad up yourself. Follow nobody, we fly your marrow. Badness and feel you push like Bill Barrow. A one done, one done.
Residential, we not there for you. There's some patient. Man say pull up back that there's some patient. Hey,
family. One done, one general, 1-6. Yo, done like badness. Know that, yo. We just pop any same bun bone, Put up the toilet. A one family, make money and share with them no A one general, 6 out here, we not fear none of them boy. We not fear none of them boy. It's the family, the black and smooth is try. A friend, Japachi, we have money for them. One family, I'm a bread of them. We're nothing on one of them, they're all. Can it lie and it never sell ya. One family that me tell you about. Alright, BG, we're anyway. From them no say 6, them my enemy. Any other we are there that I say me J. Up. Bad like El Chopper. Money that you suffer you to like we win the lotto. Family me say the house we bigger than Pegasus. Anyone we go do matic one up so nobody up yourself. Follow nobody we fly tomorrow. Badness enough for your push like wheelbarrow. A one done, one general, 1-6. Then I don't by I'm afraid of them, no. When nothing on one of them, the road. Granite lie and they never say one family that me tell you about. Alright, BG man anyway. From them that's a 6, them my enemy. Any other we are there that I say me trade. We stay alive, 6, yeah. Not big for the head, not the fame. It's all about the teamwork. That's how we make the dream work in a civil logo. Up on the t-shirt, where you met the 17 work. We don't run joke like Steve Urkel. We person. Can the club them all like a CJ. A one done, one general, 1-6. One done, one general, 1-6. Yo, sir, spring money time, yeah, we done like badness. Yo, we just pop any see and bone one family, make money and share. When they know about liar. One general, 6 out here, we no fear none of them boy. We no fear none of them boy. It's the family, the black and smoke destroy. I'm a friend, Japachi, you got money for them. One family, yeah. I'm a bread of them, no. When nothing on one of them, the road. Granite lie and they never sell me out. One family that me tell you about. Alright, BG, we're anyway. From them, that's a 6, them my enemy. Any other we are there that I say me yeah. A one family, make money and share with them no boy. A one general, 6 out here, we no fear none of them boy. We no fear none of them boy. It's the family, they got a small destroy. I'm a friend, Japachi, we got money. Aye. One family, I can't garden it. It's what it is, you know. It is what it is. Yo, take back your love from me, take back your respect. Born for the pain, I'm a now seek forgiveness. Crime from my brain, killing gun with my interest. Ever try to talk to a gun, I just play faith. Me live with my scars, me not to live with regrets. My heart burn like CD from me chest, it eject. We all make mistake, but the trust is the biggest. Me don't talk to people, me talk with the spirit. Yeah, me heart have a hole, but the devil still I look true. Yeah, you see me daily, and me on no good mood. That boy full of on your belly, and no cook food. Pull back the hammer and push through. Walk through fire with my coats. Now some still a try to talk to it, ghost them. This one friend, running but the finish line of close yet. Still confused with thorns and roses. No left a fire stick. Me still a smoke all when me dep on antibiotics. Me have to drink and talk to God, that's how the prayer real. Even the alphabet tricky cause I a G. And them a P-U-S-S-Y do the thing. Talk on the rhythm and at times me sing. Me sorry if I lay in all lies in my thing. Why I just the life for me live and float one shot, back with snake. I fly and out, yeah, the artist. Me turn off the bulb, not the darkest days. Me don't know where me I go, but me I walk with fear. Yeah, walk with fear. A bullet too, now walk with fear. Walk with fear, times the money go real, no cause
clear. Lucky through my favor, money and me carry gun and full it. Blood thicker than water, none not thicker than my bullet. Most of them not go believe until you do it. One feeling my money stink, I mean I keep it in a switch. Can't trust nobody, fucking reach me as a juvie. Lock me up, me run my man for try be loyal to a pussy. Humble me tell the tennis ball, me couldn't book me. Two on my brave, sometimes it make me look stupid. Tired and drained when me round them. Smoke till me start to see fire in the cloud them. Lucky now soundproof place and I shout them. Nobody no blood clot know them. But mine no for damn proud friend. Rub. Start me to deep go tell them make more money and love friend. Come here and tell my own money, they will still a love joke.
God you save me daily and me on a good job.
That full of gun belly and I cook food. Pull body and man push through. Walk through fire.
Bumbuckrat.
You're shame.
Man, that one is a lot.
You can't turn your man.
No, that one is it.
Me alone in the dark room. I'm not nobody to talk to. Just me, myself, and I in my shadow.
Yeah, critical thinking. All the man you want shadow in a dark room. What's a Ross like?
It's blood can.
Yeah? What's a Ross like? What's a Ross like? What's you want shadow in a dark room?
If your eye enough, if your eye enough, you can see. If your eye enough, you can see.
Man say a shadow in a dark room. What a man liar time
machine. If your eye enough, you can see.
Midnight. Me alone in the dark room. I'm not nobody to talk to. Just me, myself, and I in my shadow.
You know? Right so. But we have to keep it thinking.
It's the darkest time for me. Lights out. My two hands out, but I just can't feel.
But tell myself that change it. It even did me, myself, and my millions or dollars or something. And them I say, yo, that son, that I make it sound son, selfish. Yes, maybe I say, aye.
In the dark room, in the roof, I'm a can't even see.
Rub.
Dark in the dark room with a clip look like harpoon. Snakes on the bar, shoes on the She's get closer. I'm a careless, fight like what I want proof to the use them man couldn't see the light but my walk through. Black throat man beat the blackboard in the classroom. When I see the light,
love it like video light.
Love it that, couldn't put my problems on video light.
Oh, they are critical thinking on the video light. I don't know big up yourself. I know we are alone in that.
I'm not nobody to talk to. Just me, myself, and I in my shadow. Lights out. It's the darkest time for me. Lights out. My two hands out, but I just can't feel. Lights out. It's a dark room like lonely and cold like ice. Only person know my pain is me and Christ. Everybody want me meet, I just deceit and lies. Nobody know I'm be real and pay the price. Yes, them I could be even find the peace to rise. Then make me sleep, this can be real life. Smoke weed so you can see the pain in all the eyes. It alone can shut up this little demon voice. I'm in the dark room, just don't know what to do. Wise but not playful. Can't make them sing. Screw. I'm in the dark room, just don't know what to say. I'm alone in the dark room. I'm not nobody to talk to. Just me, myself, and I.
But yeah, I find one listener. If you want them, I want them to know where your song is.
I never find me.
Still I am, but not far from problem. You know, I'm still ready.
That's over the song.
Time to feel up. Blood, man. Still I pray. Still I run but not far from problem. Blood still I fall from my hands them. Still I feel your partners. Can't get fit out to my family. If you answer the old it's still a bleed, still a bleed, still a bleed, yeah. Nigga please, if you no real, this wouldn't reach right now for reach. Doctors and my lungs get blacker, yeah, the cool heart get shattered. I walk with the wound blood in my bank robber. Can't tell my mother when me I go through road rougher than St. Thomas. Lonely days I get covered. My pass a aunt, my good wallet. Can't find no way for me escape everywhere me turn trouble follow. Still a wave, still a pray. With them I pray, them on energy. Yeah, the world cold heart broke up as it freeze. I believe if you go make up iceberg in the sea. Yeah, still a be myself one lock, can't be no wanna be. Still a pre out them weak for your bag of weed. Still a lead lamp, buy views for the song you stream, yo son of bitch. Still a run but not far from problems. Blood still a fall from my hands them. Still a feel every scratch from the badness. Can't get for talk to my family. If you ask for the wounded, it's still a bleed, still a bleed, still a bleed, yeah. Nigga please, if you no real, this wouldn't reach right now for reach. Feelings changing up, yeah. I wanna stand up, shake yourself. Still in the dark, I wait for love, them don't brave enough. My feelings changing up, I wanna start move, shake yourself. Yeah, still in the dark, I wait.
Way most, better know that na yan. Really, that the question you ask ko all dialogue.
New selector people, bongo jongo class.
Watch it, that I mean does it have job to music and I think that. I mean,
I know you did that.
No, go on, that's it. You can't beat the selector that.
I know you did that. No, I'm not beat the selector, I'm just tell the people them say, you know they would want to hear all Josh look while 25 years. You know what they want there? We're not going to give them that. Blood clean, no selector time.
Don't know yo, give me that. Give me that bomb buckler, new selector, fuck.
The new selector sound loud!
Yo, that not string up good.
Better.
Yo,
that sound not string up good.
I come if I drink a thing, I answer. Triple X crew, so we lie. Hey, people don't see your face. Cause you know that one they don't catch mental, you know. Boy. Yeah. Ask me how we do that.
Hey, you put it in. You put it in there, my dog, and then rough.
Give me that now. Let me do one and the better for you. How much I bet? Let me do one and the better for you. Yeah, I bet. Let me do one and the better for you. So give me money now. One no money, but half but no, me just go do one and say we can have here with that.
Yeah, all this still so loud. Eh?
Which one? 6-9. Can you not turn it right down there? You have to turn it right down if you don't want to hear it.
Strong mind.
The side where you don't want to hear.
Push forward.
No, it's side where you don't want to hear. Like that side where you have to mix it.
And then turn it up.
Alright. While you have mix it on you. And that's why you use the keyboard. Like keyboard I use that on your we are live lavish. We are live lavish. Them say we are stylish. Yeah.
Markets, you see how they do. All the year we go come still, you know?
Faith. Strong mind. Confident. Push forward. Get to you. My thing when I drive a Axia. Every girl start Axia. Every youth want vaccine bus. Remember when me used to take taxi first. Now we driving the crowns. Ryan Salons, money fragrance, stinking cologne. Getting the cheddar, that's a for my ringtone. We are left lavish, lavish, lavish. We are left lavish. Let me say we are stylish, stylish. We are left lavish. We are left lavish, lavish, lavish. We are left lavish. Let me say we are stylish.
Turn it down in a real.
In a nice again.
Try.
You're that turn you up with the keyboard, me and I'll mix with it.
After that, me go chucking at the pole. This is my dream for me, I got score. Born rich, that never fall. Me I fly like every week. Smile, boy by every teeth. To stop me shine, me no see no one what's the wig. When me drive on the Porsche, me lay on the box.
You're not turning it down, bro.
Some people they not good for me.
Give me this.
Just turn up there.
Give me this, no man. Give me this, no man.
Turn it way down.
Watch it.
Sometimes it's in the zone out. See me this time, I'm not the next one out. Look for the blessing in the stone house. I'm on a flyer, see the drone out. Weed off me and float away. So me snap and full me tank of gas. Grab and go, then me get myself a pack of frost. Have my one a place nobody hard, now me never cash. All the drip to people, me now want my skin to scratch. Allergy, 6. Allergy, when you Insta, them a follow me.
You get them out of there. You see it? You see in the ear, look what?
The ear is here. Who you can't hold my back?
Just to drink the pussy them.
I would let you.
Only call one thing in our life. Don't just a pussy friend. I'm a nasty win, make it kill all the pussy them. Winning and winning and winning. Because they like me. That's why them always a fight me.
Hey. Me can't, me.
Say buckler, one man can select our one.
I thought I got, you come here and take a selection. Yo, hear me
And this is how we the president, me.
Alright. Me say, I sit there more, but me can't pass the song here. Can't pass the song here. I would tell you. Can't pass the song here still. I know them man are TikToker like this man over here saying.
Song here come play.
You want, what? Where you say you have them line out? You in next song. You in fourth song.
Give me 5 songs we are playing now.
Three, not bother pressure him so much.
Three.
No pressure him so much. You with 3 songs we are playing now.
Yo, listen me now.
3 songs, no listen me. I don't think no more. 3.
Yo,
first one.
Take it.
First one. No, just tell me.
Yo, you know that.
We don't know we have to play right. I want that cranium. Nobody know if you know. No man, you can't play that. That's a better. Where's the second song?
Brother, we don't talk to him.
Don't talk. I would that then.
Yo, play Jamal time.
I will sing that one.
Oh, we don't know how to play that one.
Play Jamal time. Man, listen me now. I'm playing.
I'm telling you something. Actually, you have to go back to you.
999.
Don't see this, they don't know.
999.
You want to be a dung stove with that?
Let me say Insta.
Pick
him up and load it on the Insta.
You want to do it back
index finger.
and use it.
Work the index finger.
Who you there go on?
Me a big them, so we did not
Yo, that's the ball and door. That's the ball and door.
And that thing say what to play. After you say.
Hey boy, here's the Batista.
Coward in a dog believe.
Coward in a dog believe.
Only when it's easy.
Now if you ask no question, roll up on them, they do this easy.
Pops and Rosie.
Hey, we are going to go live one idea. You think we go live one idea and just run out play again. And I'm going to play a funny mode all day for TikTok. If you have a song in blood clot, yeah man, I'm going to pass to one guy song and say, yeah, that's the show. Yes, the age of body man.
People have a tag in the realize applying that with power song.
About the script and out it out on the angle. You tell me about your bad man friend them and where them can do. But tell me you are done and where you feel dog man a done to. We never stop bad, never stop bad. Never see me got the legends that bad. Already see me praying and I talk to me God. And me Bible look white and me spliffing on me yard. Never stop bad, never stop bad. Never see me got the legends that bad. Already see me praying and I talk to me God. And me Bible look white and me spliffing on me yard.
I have no difference.
I'm just a me talk to stay an hour. You don't feed this to done.
Let me say Insta. Tap him up and load it on the Insta. Word man, I word the index finger. Word the index finger. Me a beg tell them so we never stop bad. Never stop bad. Never see me got the legends that bad. And when you see me praying and I talk to me God. And me Bible look white and me spliffing on me hand. Never stop bad.
Give me selection now.
Game.
Game selection now, man. Take all the selection now, man. Where? Connect your phone.
Yeah, but bro.
Connect your phone.
Yeah, man, said we, man. You know you got me G. Everything good, though.
Get up and go do it.
Said we, man. Alright, you know it go, man. We there, man. And the dog, them are going all the vibes, man. You see it?
Come here, drop.
Alright, say good, man. I know you don't have to do.
No, you're not. What did I do?
Yeah, man, like carrying selector.
No, you're not.
You don't need selector yet, man. You don't have to go pay and tune.
You're not. What did I do?
Yeah. Here I know.
Him not know the first thing I have to do.
Then that, me tell you, say connect. Go and go connect.
Him not know the first thing I have to do.
Eh?
Him not know the first thing I have to do.
Give room for that. Don't worry. Give room for that.
Thank you, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, give me the man.
Yo.
Watch out. Spoon man shut down the whole bomb buckler thing right now.
Yeah, man.
You see how fast thing go? You see how fast thing give me?
Man, I'll play the one.
Give me.
Man, I'll play the one.
Yes, and that mean look all around for make it look like
yeah. Me see that. Me see you do it, man. And that me tell you, yo, left him man alone and you a very man going on.
You not so fast thing.
The depths of the gutter.
Yeah.
Sunday night when the man and rice and peas make a dumpling and butter. And now all them a fight. We all live life. Go and pile up the money no for. Oh, me a feel it.
Alright, dumpling and butter. Dumpling and butter.
Stop trying a life. Now see how you tell us about my messy dirty eye. Stop trying a life. Never see how you utilize a bad mind.
I got my third
been through so many thought. 6 hours with on a bed, with the on a couch. Represent fake youth, me sit down a sword. Even now food to put in a house. Gotta get on easy. Believe me, victorious, them can't defeat me. Money spirit,
come me can't swim Adina. My name is Indiscipline class and
How are you doing? Hey boy! Well man, now stop!
I have to carry this over there. This.
Oh, yeah, just a memory. Yo, me getting now! fuck. Hey, boy, we catch you back now. We catch you back now, cause a long time I don't play that. Fuck, lad. Watch me now. Fuck, lad. Give me the cup of them to them. Give me the cup of them. Yeah, man, select that. Yeah, give me the cup of them. No, I'll do exercise. That's just that. Hey, boy. Give me the cup of them, Madak. I saw it's all down.
Bad boy, you give me represent for Gaza. And I saw we lock it down from corner to corner. Now me desert clock snap and shoulder. If a boy try a thing, he have been left bone. Alright, give me the girl. They shouldn't come touch up. Never get my boy. He have been left bone. Yeah, alright, give me the girl. They shouldn't come touch up. Touch up. They shouldn't come touch up. Responsive power in the responsive show. When I fight politics, that's why me say Gaza, yo. We cry for the youth, them in the ghetto, yo. Come make we unite, make society bow. If you feel me, yo, just
yo, listen, Talag. I'll be there first playing Jaggy over the kick.
It's a good keep the city. You watch
man. No, man alone, man. You don't feel like it. No, man, but they're right. This man, God, that's why I'm Jaggy when it's time to start. Bang, hold this and it's good. I'm Jaggy when it's over. Right now, get your now. Get your thank you, Jack. You know, get your thank you, Jack. In this street, I'm
no, you're gonna start your primary and then pull up it. So that's not to yourself.
Alright, 2 ways that you can play now. You start your tongue, get your start right there. That's why you have to. You understand? It's like a happy birthday.
Wake up this morning, roll out the earth before me start yawning.
Yeah, man, you can't get your tongue
kiss for me dawning. Tell me say how me not touching on the street. In the street, we see poor people balling. Enough juvenile the onion from morning. Where the black woman future me asking, where the system a do fishy. No, big up the girl them we fight it alone and a race 2, 3 pick me on them one. Where the man they no man no them. Babylon have them in a jail. Big up the juvenile them in a the street where you say them have to make it and not touch the crown. Them no one we fi claim our own, but Africa now found no food in a row. Yes, no, you.
Dog, hey, you say that.
No.
Yo.
Let me tell you this, me go through the real hardcore ghetto living. Love the ghetto youth.
Alright.
Let me tell you this, we go through the real hardcore.
Get them ready.
Me sit down and me reminiscing. Me like me that the body thing and me woulda missing. The little well work for us hours for the giving. Me and me 4 sister, me brother and me mother. We never have nothing, just love for one another. Pants and shirt me used to share with me brother. 6 of we now and 10 room with one cover. And we have no lover.
Those were the happiest days of my life. If you did wrong, you did right. We used to fight from the night post. JPS studied all those are the happiest days of my life.
I know why
love the ghetto youth for them achievement. Love the ghetto youth for them achievement.
They're gonna ride no better than so.
I choose to write that. I like you, man. Yo, we know the man is the man like a man.
Yo, father could have input.
Yo, father is the man like a man. He could have improved. Yo, father is the man like a man. We are saying father could have done that. He could have been. Father could have done it. Father is tough for that time. Yo, I want to fight something for Tony in a star.
Yo, who right there? Who right there? I only say you have an odd design right there.
Hey, you know what you guys are the way they lock with. Hey, a long time you have the way they lock with. I find out that really right.
I only reason why the girl I'm not getting. Come in over there. I only time my
I
am balloon, so they used to target. Bad minds in my life won't take it. Some say my father would never make it.
No, me have to love. I am balloon. One life in the dark.
So
good. Happiest days of my life. If it ain't right, why the system keep on pressuring you and me to get a family? We keep fighting, enemies necessary to survive it. Them no want to see the garrison rising. I get to know that the ministry fighting. Them want fight it, but we keep fighting, enemies necessary.
Yo.
Yo.
Adjust.
I want it.
What's that one?
Up to the crime, I told them it's called tag. Seem like they forgot the whole thing. Serious time, when I was still
I want it for that. Hello, boy.
you know madness.
Hello, boy. Yeah, we know. We know, boy, now.
Me don't care where you bad from. Audience when you chat from. Don't chat make you find out the bitch over London. When you kick you like Vanda. This me your time, so me hook you over Boston. Head a bus like
Hey, pull up. Hey, except man in a real life. Hey, I'm telling you, come on. What am I do? Let throw all of them buckle over there, so do. Bust him bum buckle out there, do. Yeah, make man a left all the dance.
Don't care where you bad from. Audience when you chat from. Don't chat make you fall like the bridge over London. When they kick you like Vanda. This me out of East, and me hook you over Boston. Head a bus like Gaston.
People are left out that party there.
People are left all the dance.
Up in your mother pussy like tampon. Yeah, big up to Jubantan. When boy you kick like Jackie Chan over Hampton. How a gun go so pam-pam. We have bad from before X-Man and Green Lantern. Before Snoop but Africa now found no. We know easy to walk on. Teflon black no carbon. Yo, we are better than them by far. Better than them by near. In a piece, in a bar. Drive by, walk by, in a car. Gun warfare. See the chief of staff here, 3-star. Better than them by far. Better than them by near. In a piece, in a bar. Walk by, drive by, in a car. Now far from them again. We didn't touch you for me friend. Should you have a bank load of money for spend? How do they? Them have a money problem. Laugh for your laugh and a solve them. You know it's murder. My money half. Money make teacher laugh like a Santa.
Rough up. That's what I'm playing. Fresh playlist.
My money half.
I thought my young one now. Can I have a mirror?
Me want me money pile up.
I gotta take one more second.
Two Christine of his style up. So me spend it in a stripper in a gyno. Out a door when me see me money line up. Me have money in a Kyle, money in a bungle. Me have money at Tivoli, me have money at jungle. Money a laugh after me, that's why me can't humble. Money to give me mother and me one teeth uncle. My money ha ha. My money ha ha. Money ha ha. Make teacher laugh out like a Santa. Me want me money ha ha. My money ha ha. My money ha ha. Make me laugh out like a Santa. Me have money in a job, money in a paper. Me have money a flank and me have money a Finland. Money house, money cab, money bed, me live and me spend Jesus money, so no touch me see.
money to lend, money to give anti-rent, money to chill per weekend. Me and me girl buy 2 jet ski and a breed. Me a gun, you can't stop me well stress free. My money, ha ha. My money, ha ha. Money, ha ha. Make teacher laugh out like a Santa. Me want me money, pussy stiff,
Pause and pull you. I want to say, no fool no have talk in a bad man place or no fool. Fool. No fool. No fool. Yeah, but you know artists them and they can play for word and say no fool, cause members say get up now. You see? Pussy. And that's how they act today. You know? Run it back. Go be. Run it back. Turn it up. Get up now. Get up. Member good no man. Yeah.
No phone, no half talk in a bad man place. Bust it in a face, but go drop on ears. Pussy dead a stop like madman player. Killer make we up with the Hong Kong gear. For girl fat pussy stiff, pressing on straight. You know talk of fish, you know make your club steer. Move, no man, no beg. Jump out with the 6 funds. Shot boy and a response. 15 to your weapon. Put it over the income, old road shit now. Oh, that a strain like puppet. Rest the gear in your face light up. Here man, walking here, one doggy. Just make him name with a name. Make a name, bro. With a name, bro. Any verse in a cardboard. Face melt off, Mr. Kuda jawbone. Can't go road from the inner boys. Won't study up to get it every month like a car road. The years of the ball road. 15 bullets down with the stall board. Killer jaw close and a ball close. Man, I die for the phone. Up is it clean.
Shot boy and no business. The king is back. I'm in New York. He's back.
Face one fling boy in a break and gully 15 a back the gate and gully place shake like me run the place and bucket. Your pussy can't tell me if you pay that money. Big tree tall rifle aim and gully. Good up on the lane and the main man want him. Real nice money make it clear and turn him like him name Anthony. Fuck there say a close range. No weakness. No case kill a close change. A ball from homemade now the door made full of rifle. Pussy you will get a home raid. Turn a boy me no know afraid. Put a sword blade full of killer yo. Tricky with a low field. Get the boys full set. Get the bone here. Poke more 4-4 shot like 14. Pop before a proper automatic. Blocks and knock it on the bomb off again like a rocket. The scope clear now they make it down up on the side. Cheer out on the muckle every day. We got a salad at trick. Never Like a girl of a meat. We must straight be straight and a fall of crashes. Black boy head on it in a polish. All mini 14. Platin to the road. One bus with the flooring. Mouse with the doors. Hey, I'm slow like that. Oh, that a straight like puppy. Anything will lift is a tail like ducky. Make me know you feel some putty. Kill you for the name.
No man, you're mad. I'm white step on the rhythm. Now where you do?
Pull up on roof. 20 matica spark.
I'm gonna mono.
Empty boy
Every
with a
boy,
jam.
step boy, I'm gonna mono.
Send me a killer.
Man, dog, yes, step boy, I'm gonna mono. White step on the rhythm and the man play a pump up like 20 matic. Hey, yes, step boy, I'm gonna mono. Hey boy. Hey boy. Hey boy. All mini 14. That's why Earthstrong. Class, make you road clean. That's what you do.
You will know if you love me. Where man is a symbol of one? They all mini 14 already. So now it's 20 matic for your class.
No man.
You are now, see?
No man.
Whites don't lock off the store.
Yeah.
Dance sell whites, don't lock off the stove. All time kitchen now wash off your clothes.
And them they have to try to shut up on person. You can't make me hear it pass. You can't make me hear it pass. Yeah, wait a second.
Gun pop off the moss. Rich long time when you chat on the horse. bad long time. We no mix and mingle. Remember we full of chips like Pringle. Run the matic for a single. Hole in a face like dimple. A chrome in a waist and a wrinkle. Young skull with the 17, cool and simple. Forget that all I sink you. If I evil them know we are simple. Key drum in high ground. Pussy lay down in high ground. Run the man child, run in high crowd. Run! Select it and take a life round. And your back and stay up in high cloud. Badness never cool up a night out. Toe shoot a water. No man not to safe night. Never call, better call. She a make us better call. Why she tear up your body? Nice street on the left side. And you alone by gun, make us step your ball. I'm in no ear, no shines, them say them a haul. Boy, face up in them, we make us turn. Now start sell wine, still lock off the store. All time kitchen now, wash off your clothes. 17 shoot, I shut off them nose. Yeah, me killer, glass off a toast. Killer, yeah, me killer, gun pop off the most. Rich long time, we not chat on the horse. Watch long time, we whip out on the clothes. We no mix and mingle. Remember we full of chips like Pringle. Run the matic for a single. All in a face like dimple. A chrome in a waist and a wrinkle. Young skull with the 17, cool and simple. Forget that all I sink you. If I evil them know we are simple. Tell a pussy from a murder. Run up palm in a man trying that. Fly man trying but. High man trying shot for the does it up. Fly man trying sprat. Boy this is not a blood clot. Then one side. I'm ready to lie in that. Rifle a bus, boom, like a flying chop. Lying back, God select, driving stop. Them find him flat, and everything inside them car. Buy this shop, fire them, right we stop. Fire them. The dance start sell wines, don't lock off the store. All right kitchen now, wash off your clothes. So the thing show up, shut off them nose. Suck on the motherboard, yeah, me killer, glass off a toast. Killer, yeah, me killer, gun pop off the most. Rich long time, not chat on the boss. Bad long time, we no mix and mingle. Remember we full of chips like Pringle. Run the matic for a single. Hole in a face like dimple. A chrome in a waist and a wrinkle. Young skull with the 17, cool and simple. Forget that all I sink you. If I evil them know we are simple. Quick fi fire me gun me and nimble. When the killers get Pringle, let that bossa head, that bossa never pimple. Gun load on the car with that tingle. Let him up, this side yard you must enter. Right closer to the fire. Not feeling no car like chinso. Yeah, inna your chinko. Me think I cut it, nothing that chinso. All I stole me was fling to the pussy cat is in the line. And I'm mixed and mingle. And I'm full of chips like brick. Listen, no! What you now? What you and that fool? Turn it up. Yeah, you can move it up. You will take space, but you can't eat. Yo, man, big up yourself. Mama heavy, you don't know I want cold. What? Kill him, what? I wanted them. Dead. Got my back like the shirt on my marine. That's you, Mel. I got my back like my shirt on my marine. I'm married our Mel. What? We are the what? What? Let's go see something. Run from the spirit.
What? Booking. What? Booking. What? Booking. Make a lion roll. What? Chisa. Booking. Remember we booking. The next one thing. Husband and wife business. One key and all white thing. Table done set already. But then can't run for the pan. Oh God. It's so bad. They say things are phone money, one of the boss with picture of the phone. Okay, I'll walk in. You want to learn nothing else, man. Trust me. I want to job me. Just use your foot down there. Get that thing. Sugi Woogie, who is this? You would have must have this place. Whatever say this place, Sugi Woogie. Yo. Yo, I want to go on. Yo, I want to go on. Yo, right now I'm getting nervous and fuck. And dog, that's it. Yo, that's what I said. My name want to play. Man. This is out. You see me, I lose my youth. What one? Brother, stop your fuck now, man. Stop one more cloud of family and youth. Don't be serious. My youth. That, brother, it's a girl that lives, she went down, brother, she went down, I don't want that. Right out of order. I'm telling about Mel. Mel, that's what But just if I say, hey, before I'm going to go back and no more life. Yeah, don't be scared. Really? Don't say that. You can't make it up before. You make it heart attack. Oh yeah, don't be like no? It's a cool now. Don't book now. Probably I should got you subscribe. Probably you subscribe. One other fight. One other fight. Now play no more machine next morning. Now we sit down and talk to the Janelle, go follow Mel. Want her thing up so she can start follow people. So she can start with like walk around like. No more on course left. Everything. No. You want everything. And Janelle, don't push too much into you want everything on you. Mel, say Mel. Mel, Mel got my back. Mel got my back. That's the white marina, the white is. Yeah?
This AI tool makes starting a profitable Etsy print-on-demand business faster than ever. If you're an experienced graphic designer, you're probably tired of the constant creative bias when it comes to creating new designs. And if you're new to print, you might find it hard to create designs that are selling if you're not using an advanced design tool. And we all know how frustrating it can be when you know what you want to create but don't have the tools or the know-how to make that a reality. That's what makes Kiddle such an incredible design tool for designers of all levels. One of my favorite aspects of using Kiddle is if you're not sure what you want to create, you can browse their template library for inspiration and use the templates so that they can be customized to tailor your needs. From there, you can publish directly to a product mock-up and send that to your Etsy shop or Amazon shop or wherever.
Make you win me
Oh,
How much piece? You're wrong.
This wrong. This a treat and system. 12 piece coming sit and 15 piece coming in.
Nah, I'm an accident. Mel.
Mel,
play one more match.
KFC 12 piece come with
Mel, play one more. Mel, play one more match. Mel said, nah, anything Mel said I repeat. What did it? Smell. Smell. Yeah. Listen. So never want to listen. Remember when I told you one day? So we have to listen. Follow me, I'm charging.
Who does not drop it on this?
Get him on the leg, Reggie.
Wow, you see that blood clot?
Yeah, you know how long my grip come from. You know how long my use. Just a show up and I play no more match slavery.
So they're crazy.
Yeah, now they want to be that more skill. No, but you can't just take the sun tomorrow holiday, brother. Look what I'm dead. You just a fire me.
Yeah, Richie, where you are?
Yeah, this is follow you.
Why you want? Spicy barbecue, where you want?
Fire me.
Yeah, man. You can't see me spicy or barbecue anyway.
Ask Dabby where you want.
I just never use that barbecue. Like say I don't know any one of them. Alright, no.
Yo. You ask my friend them. So what? I say it to them, man. I want somebody to say it to me there, son. Bro, we are so on
Yo. I always smell that thing.
Why it is?
Why they always make it smell like it's spoiled?
It's spoiled. I guess I agree with you in there.
Vinegar, we put some
vinegar.
Yeah, vinegar.
Very fat, they give me one fat.
Yo, hear me say, brother. You're in them KFC with fat. Are you not true to the KFC?
So how you go eat?
Finger licking good. Listen what your colonel tell you say. Come back, man.
How you go eat the coaster business?
With your finger.
With the finger?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell her, more see it with the finger.
Where you get? Oh, right about the
They want to spicy too.
I can't spice it, dog. Give me. I can't spice it, man. Take that one if you want to, man.
Take which one? Which one?
That one,
You
yeah.
don't do nothing to it. That's why chamba up, tell me, I tell you.
Yeah, man.
That is squeeze.
Yeah, man.
He named that early.
This is a body boy, yeah.
Yeah, body boy.
You know, see a quick here, you back and down that one there. We can't make a next decision.
Why don't you give me water and spicy?
God, none of did it, no. Them fucking thing, you know, I want to wedge them.
Yeah, man,
Check him out. Check him out. Check out one wedge them. Check him out.
Yeah, barbecue, red back.
No, hot and spicy water.
Hot and spicy.
Yeah. Shit. Check him out, man. You take out one out of this,
yeah. One shit and this one.
Oh, come and say if I fuck them, fuck around and really give me 2 pieces of one buck or a signal. You need to let me buck up them now.
Today. Right now. I don't know what to do. Alright, then we just reach on here.
Hook up with it, man. Alright, it's not good.
Yeah, let's check him out.
Never get one with me because I'm
And spicy, please. Zara Satos, Zara. Just name it. I want more ketchup or more oil. This ain't good. Ketchup. Can't talk on it.
I don't want more fries that, man. Still more fries there. Oh. Smoke, you good? No, we don't have no more drink. One big bucket there for the wake up them, they slide up and they cup them.
Yeah.
Yo.
So man, you have liquor cup of drink out
liquor in a liquor cup them. When a man them have to put down their food and run out and pack a cup down and share on real quick. Any volunteers?
Cup down a
certainly not.
If you do a pull, cup down in there.
Kurt, you do a pull. Hold on, you want some more fries? One go. Oh, 2 or 3 you want.
Father God.
Yo, I want to them. I want to give me that. Want me to wait up something? Yeah. No, I don't want to wait. I want more fries. I wait now.
Wait over there, sir. Yo, I want weed in my daddy.
Yeah, man.
Do not put any weed in my weed pot. It's not an ashtray. Yeah. Nice slip in there. Sorry, all that.
Where's that?
Anger. Rose, are you a problem? Yeah, more ketchup them out. Remember, I would shoot this cartoon there, Happy Feet. The dog said, I'm going to eat you like sausages. The dog said, but first you got to ketchup. Wait. Grand Road. Oh. So was a Jennifer.
Look closer. See, damage.
That kind of look closer for you yesterday.
It's not black, it's wedge. Understand?
Half empty water bottle.
Irish.
There is a wedge they do.
Hold on.
They use it and wedge the door.
The amount of time you see that they put it up.
Good phone, man. But the iPhone, they just mash up.
Irish or potatoes? Irish.
Potato.
You know, now when from the item.
Irish or potato this.
Irish tag. Now you can't tell me which one tag I'm going to go to Mr. Brother. This is fixed time second. Go to me now if you say a word. You know? What food?
Find the hand there and that's all. Irish potato. I mean, food is our Irish potato.
They'll big up yourself. You ain't lying, you know.
Come food time, I can consume these meals. Deadly. Rub over your dose.
But I have to ask, you know, because Irish and potato thing kind of similar, you know. You know?
Can't drink too much juice.
Big up yourself. Here, Gremlin. Gremlin style. Go lang nga text. Gremlin. Okay lang ka. Abi a gremlin niya so. Iya gremlin. Everyone has something to fuck.
Yeah, you know I'm circle around the barbecue.
The ugly man niya so.
Two one?
One like a bum bucket. Yo, watch now. It's still a anyway.
I'm gonna go with that chicken.
Mary what one?
I'm a vegetarian, them with a eater. Yo, cool. Come on. Where? Ah, I don't want to test that one. Yeah, make it up.
Very nice. The chicken leg get on spicy parts, eh? And the van Kentucky. And somewhere else.
Yeah.